Okay, so now actually I'll tell you what is there in the area related to circles problems, how it will be there. So I have told you, okay, so if you have a pizza like this, okay, so if you have to, this pizza have to share between 6 people, okay, how we have to divide? Let us consider this is, now it has become how many shares? 4 shares. Okay, 4 shares means unequal shares you will get. If I draw it like this, you will get unequal shares. What I'll do is little bit change I'll do. Now I'll do it like this. And now I'll get equal shares. Now just see. 6 shares you have. Okay, 6 shares you have. Now in that one share, you see, this is the total area of circle. What is the total area of circle? Total area of circle is what? Area of circle, that is equal to what? Pi r square. Area of circle, write it, area of circle. Area of circle, that is equal to pi r square. Okay, but now they'll not ask us to find the area of circle. Why? Because you have learned all about this in previous classes, area of circle. You have learned, right? Okay, and now, so we will, now what we have to do means, one pizza I'll take. Okay, 6, if I'm sharing this whole pizza into 6 parts means, one I'll take. Why? Because you people will be there, you will be fighting for the pizza. Okay, my share is very less as compared to yours, right? In such cases, you have to find area, right? We will check. We will check by finding the area of your pizza and my pizza, or your share and my share. Okay, what I will do means, I will take one pizza, one slice of this one slice I will take it outside. Okay, one slice I will take it outside. Let us consider this is like this, right? It will be like this, right? Okay, so now you just see, here it is making an angle at the center. It is making some angle at the center, right? Okay, so that is what we don't know exactly, that we have to consider as theta. Okay, that we have to consider as theta. Okay, so now we have to find the area of this. Okay, you have formula called, that is area of this portion, we call it as, whatever this portion we call it as sector, we call it as this as sector. Okay, this we call it as sector. This we call it as sector. Okay, now you just see, if this is sector means, okay, this is also sector, right? This is smaller sector, remaining is larger sector, which means what will select as this as minor sector and major sector. This is minor sector and major sector. So now how will you find out the area of this sector? How? Half r square. Oh, now that is area of triangle. You are talking about area of triangle. That is not area of circle. Half into, and that is area of triangle I have told you. So yesterday I have taught you, right? About this I have taught you. So I have taught you, if you have a sector like this, now you have a triangle, this triangle, area of this triangle I have told you. In order to find this area of this triangle, if it is making an angle theta, okay, this will be what? That is area of this triangle, that is equal to half into r square sin theta. I have told you for this, not complete. Okay, so what we have to do means, in this case, see, everyone has to come. It is, otherwise this chapter will finish, I think. I thought of, if today is 3rd class, right? If would have started from 1st class, today it will be like last portion will be left with, I think 2 or 3 problems we left with. It's okay, no problem. We need everyone. Okay. Okay, now we will go for C. But what we have to find? We have to find complete this. So first we have to learn about angles. What is angle? Okay, now just see, I will take one more slide here. So this is one initial side you just consider. I have told you about sides, right? Angles, in foundation class I have explained about angles. Okay, let us consider this is the initial side OA. I am rotating this initial side, okay, so in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise means opposite to clock. How clock will rotate like this, right? But it is rotating in opposite, anti-clockwise. That is why not anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise. Some people will pronounce like that. They don't know how to pronounce. But that's not their mistake. Okay, so if it is, now I am rotating in which clockwise? anti-clockwise. Okay, so this will become what? It will, this OA will come over OA dash. It is making an angle theta. This rotation we call it as theta. Okay, this is making an angle theta. Okay, now just consider this OA. Okay, OA start rotating from here. Okay, and completes its complete one revolution. Okay, it start from here and started rotated. What again? It came to that position only. So OA it start rotating from here and again came back to that position. Now how much angle it has covered? Okay, so it forms a complete circle like that. Okay, complete revolution is nothing but it forms a complete circle. How many angles it is? 360 degrees. So that is how much? 360 degree. Okay, so now what I will do means I will remove this one. Okay, this you know that 360 degree. So now what I will, let us consider this is also a pizza. Now how much angle you have here from here to here? How much angle you have from here to here? That is 360 degree you have. Okay, so now what I will do means in this pizza only I have to take one share. You know, right? One share I have to take. I have told you. Okay, so we have to take one share. I will just write with a different pen. This share I want to find. You know that what is the area of this circle? Complete. What is the area of that circle? Not angle. Area. Pi r square. Okay, that you know that. Now I have to find area of this sector or this pizza. Theta divided by. Okay, that is so nice. Huh? Okay, now how you have got it? How you have got it? Can you explain? You have book? No. Okay. So if you have not seen and told means that is nice. That you have to explain. If you are talking something means, so you should give reason for that. Okay, simply if you talk means there is no valid reason for that. That is not good. If you are talking a single words also, there should be a good reason behind that. Now tell me how. Theta. Okay, that is correct. Okay, now you just please sit down. So now what we have to do means here, see complete. You know that for 360 degree, how much area it is making? For 360 degree. For 360 degree, it is making an angle. How much area? Pi r square. But we don't know this angle how much it is. We don't know that. We have to consider as theta. Okay, so the theta angle. For theta angle, how much area it will make? For 360 degree, how much angle it is? How much area it is making? Pi r square. For theta degree, how much angle it will make? You know, right? How to find this one? What do we have to do it now here? Cross multiply it here. This we have to find it. Okay, this is what? Area of what? Sector. This is only you have to find, right? Area of this we have to find. So in order to find this is, so now for 360 degree it is making an pi r square area. For theta angle how much area it is making? Okay, now you just see here, I will write it here. So area of sector that is equal to area of sector. Is it visible for you everyone? Area of sector that is equal to what we have to do? Cross multiply we have to do. So what we have to do is this into this you do it now. So this will become what? This into this means this is area of sector into 360. So degree 360 degree into, so this is theta into theta degree into pi r square. Now this you bring it this downside. Area of sector that is equal to area of sector that is equal to what we will get now? Theta degree divided by 360 degree into pi r square. This is what the formula to find the area of sector. This is how we have to find out the area of one share of your pizza. Understood? Understood, right? Okay, so this is what actual formula you have to remember. So now you just see here, this is angle you have. See, this is what, this pi r square is a real number. The theta is what here? Angle. But angle into angle we should not multiply it. We can't multiply actually at all. In future you will learn about this angle we will convert in the form of real numbers. Angles unit is what here? This degree. Okay, but these units are different, we can't multiply it. But how we are doing means, this is also angle, this is also angle, this is also angle, this is angle, also angle, units gets cancelled, so that is why it will become what? So this will become what? Real number only. Okay, in future we will learn about the angle in terms of radians. So angle in terms of radians, radians means it is a real number. Okay, understood this much? This is what the area of sector, understood? Okay, now we have completed this one. Okay, now one more thing you just see, we have again one more, what do you have? One more circle you have like this. Okay, so one more circle, how much angle it is making? 360 degree. Okay, what is the circumference of the circle? 2 pi r, right? Circumference of the circle is? Circumference, I'll write as circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference means length starting from here to, again it will end from here. Okay, and this is what? Length. So again what I'll do means, I will take one more share of pizza, that is making an angle theta, theta. Okay, how much arc of length it is covering? How much arc of length it is covering? Theta into theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r, right? So that is what. Similarly, I'll just write it here. So for theta degree, so for 360 degree, how much area, how much total length of this arc? 2 pi r, right? That is 2 pi r, rated 2 pi r. Okay, so for theta degree, so 360 it is making an arc of 2 pi r. For theta degree, how much it is making an arc? How much length of arc it is making? We don't know exactly, that we will write it, that we don't know. So which means that is arc of length. This is length of this. This will consider as L, like that we'll take L, or arc of length, you write it. L, that is nothing but arc of length. Okay, so that arc of length into what we have to do? We have to do cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication we do arc of length into what you have to do? 360 degree, that is equal to theta into 2 pi r. Okay, like that you have to solve it. Now this 360 you bring it this side. Now how much it will be? Arc of length. Okay, no, arc of length of arc. Okay, write it, length of arc. Arc of length, both are same only, no? Arc of length. Okay, length of arc. Okay, length of arc you take it twice. Length of arc, this is also changed as a length of arc. So the length of arc, it will be what? Length of arc, so that is, it will become what? Theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, so this is how we will find out arc of length of arc. Okay, this is one more formula I have. These two formulas, and yesterday I have told area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle. So how we have to find? Almost we are about to finish this concept, everything we are about to finish. Again we have to tell it in the next class. Same. Will you start solving the problems based on this? Shall you go for a segment also? Shall you solve segment? Okay, whatever I have told you, otherwise you start solving the problems. Example 1. Do it. Example 1. I have test book. Okay, so what are these? Pizzas. So pizzas are in which shape? Circle, right? Okay, in previous classes you have learnt about what is the area of circle. Okay, so this pizza also looks like in form of circle. So that is why. So now we are not learning about the area of circle here. So what we are doing here, we are learning about the area of sector, minor sector, major sector, minor segment, major segment. Okay, and length of arc. Okay, length of minor arc, length of major arc we are studying here. Okay, so now we have here this pizza. Okay, this pizza I have to share in between so 4 people or 5 people, we don't know exactly, but we will share this pizza. Okay, you know right how we are cutting the pizza in the form of slice. Okay, so that is only we call it as sector. Okay, we are cutting this pizza in the form of slice, that we call it as slice sector. Okay, now we have this pizza. Okay, I'll take this pizza separately here. Okay, this is what the actual pizza we have. Now this pizza I have to share between few people, or 2 or 3 people, or 4 or 5 people will share. Okay, so if you want to share this pizza in 4 or 5 people, so what I should do means, so I'll just cut from here this portion. I'll take this outside. Okay, is it visible for you? Shall I change the color? Okay, so it is too much, I think. Okay, now see this I have taken outside. Okay, if I take an outside, so what this will get like this. Understood? You'll get like this. Now we have to find the area of this place, this slice. Why? Because you know that you fight for the pizza. If you get less, more, means you will fight for that, right? So that is why what we are doing, we will share for everyone. So in order to find equally, how will you find this? This is whatever you got the equal share. So we will find the area of that whatever slice of pizza you got it, right? So we will find out the area of what slice of pizza we will find out. So you know the formula. So in yesterday class I have told you. So this is called as minor sector. This is we call it as minor sector. So if you have a complete pizza like this, okay, this is minor sector. This whatever you have, this is minor sector. Minor sector. Okay, so I'll write with a different pen for major sector. So this is major sector. Whatever the portion I have drawn it in the which color? Purple color. So that is major sector. So this will address, this is major sector. We have to find the area of minor sector and major sector. Okay, so you will write it. What is the area of minor sector? In yesterday's class we have discussed. Okay, area of minor sector, that is equal to area of minor sector, that is equal to what? Yesterday we have discussed. So if it is, I'll take this complete pizza outside, means how we'll get it now? We'll get like this, right? This slice of pizza I have taken outside, means you'll get it like this. So it is making an angle some theta. Okay, it is making an angle some theta, means what is the formula? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So this is what the formula to find the area of minor sector. Okay, here r is nothing but what here? So the r is nothing but radius of the circle. Okay, this is how we will find out the area of minor sector. Okay, how about major sector? How will you find out the area of major sector? Area of major sector. How will you find out? Major sector. How? So what we will do? I'll just tell you. So complete area of circle, you do take it. Complete area of circle. Major means this one, right? Okay, complete area of circle you take it. In that you remove this one. Okay, so which means what I have to do means area of circle minus of area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. So this is what the formula to find the area of minor sector. Major sector. Understood? Okay. So now we will go for arc of length of arc. So length of arc means what? So this is, see, if you have, I'll just make it small here, everything. Now, so length of arc for this one. Now here we have, this is what length of arc. Whatever the length we have, that we call it as whatever the arc it is making at the center, so that is called as length of arc. This length is how much? Let us consider this is L. So I'll take with the different pen. See if I write it the same pen means. So it is L. So what is length of arc? Yesterday I have told you. Yesterday length of arc, that formula, length of arc that is equal to, what is the formula? Theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, remember this is in the form of degree. This theta is in the form of degree. Okay, so these are the formula to find the area of minor sector, major sector, and so length of arc. Okay, length of arc. Now, so we will go for segment. Okay, segment, how will you do it? You just write down. This is what the notes for you people now. Whatever I'm teaching now, this is what the notes today, from today onwards, whatever we are writing, so that you have to, that it should be there in your notes. Okay, now shall we go for next? Okay, so we'll be having slides later, you can write it. Okay, we will go for next. See, next what we'll go for? We'll go for segment. Finished? Okay, finished. We'll go for segment. Okay, same slice of pizza I will take now. Okay, same slice of pizza I'll take now. So what I have to do means I have to find the area of only this. Okay, so I have to find the area of only this. In circle we will take first. Let us consider this is a circle. This is circle. Okay, this segment is this portion. Okay, so this is what we call it as segment. The line which is passing through, which is not passing through the center of the circle and touching the circle. The line which is not passing through the center of the circle and touching the circle. Okay, and touching the 2 points of the circle. Okay, illi touch ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, so illi touch ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. Okay, but center ಇಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Center, if it is passes through the center, is what it will become? What it will become? Diameter. It will become diameter. Okay, so that is why. So this is what we call it as area of what it is? Area of minor segment. Okay, this we call it as area of minor segment. So this remaining portion, what do you call it as? Area of major segment. That is area of major segment. Okay, you have to write along with me. Area of major segment. Okay, so you have like this. Okay, now what is the formula to find the area of segment? Minor segment we will find out. Okay, so minor segment means I'll write with a different pen. Area of minor segment, that is equal to. So how will you find out area of minor segment? So let us consider we have to find this area of this minor segment now. Okay, it is making an angle theta with the center. It is making an angle theta with the center, so it is making an angle theta with the center. How will you find out the area of this segment? How will you find out? First, what we will do? First, we will find out the area of sector. First, we will find out the area of sector. And we will name this as AOB. So this triangle we will name it as AOB. So this is AOB. Okay, so now, so what you have to do? Area of minor segment, that is equal to area of sector minus area of minor sector, not sector. Area of minor sector. Okay, area of minor sector minus of area of triangle. Area of triangle. Which triangle that is? AOB. So area of triangle AOB. Okay, like that you have to write. So how will you find out the area of triangle now? Area of triangle, yesterday I have told you, area of triangle that is equal to area of triangle AOB, that is equal to half into r square sin theta. Half into r square sin theta. This formula you should know. So what is r theta here? Theta is angle subtended at the center. Whatever the segment, whatever the chord, this we call it as chord. So this is also you should remember. This whatever the line it is there, no? This line AB we call it as chord. AB is OB. OB is chord. Okay, this OB is chord. This OB is making an angle with the center, so that we call it as theta. Okay, so that is area of triangle. How will you find it? Half into r square sin. R is nothing but radius of the circle. Okay, shall we solve problems now based on this? Okay, now so we will solve problems based on this. If you know this much of concept, that is enough. Okay, now so you give the textbook, one textbook you give anyone. So shall we start with the exercise or examples? So many of you did not solve, I think. So who have solved, you go for next questions. Okay, who have solved, we go for next questions. We will solve with example 1 and example 2, then we will go for exercise question 1, 2, 3, 4 and all. Okay, who have solved, don't talk, just solve other questions. Okay, and now question number example 1, you just see, find the area of sector. Find the area of sector of a circle. Who have completed, just solve other questions. Find the area of circle, find the area of sector of a circle with a radius 4 centimeter. Okay, so radius 4 centimeter and an angle of 30 degree. So find the area of sector of a circle. So that's the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter. That sector is making an angle 30 degree with the center. Okay, let us consider there is a circle. Okay, like this. So that is forming a sector like this, and radius of the that sector that is equal to the radius of the circle, that is equal to how much they have given, 4 centimeter. Okay, the angle subtended at this, the angle subtended by the sector, that is equal to how much they have given, theta, that is equal to 30 degree. This much they have given. And find the area of corresponding major sector. Okay, first we have to find the area of minor sector, then we have to find the area of major sector. Okay, so first we will find out this much is enough. Okay, how will you find out area of minor sector? First the area, first whatever they have given, that you write it first. R, that is a given. This is example 1, right? Example 1. Okay, given. So what they have given that is R, that is equal to how many centimeters they have given, 4 centimeters. You write it 4 centimeters. Theta that is equal to how much they have given, 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. Okay, and pi value they have given. Pi value how much they have given, that is 3.14 they have given. Okay, now if pi value if they have not given, means you have to take it as 22 divided by 7. Okay, now so area of minor sector we will find out. Area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. Okay, so what is formula for area of minor sector? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. This is what the formula. Okay, theta value how much we have, that is 30 degree. You substitute 30 degree, 30 divided by 360 degree into pi value, we have to substitute as 3.14. R value how much they have given, 4 centimeter, means 4 square. Okay, now so this 0 get cancelled. Now 3 1 ja 3, how much ja, 36. 3 how much ja, 3 12 ja 36, right? Okay, 3 12 ja 36. Now again, so what you left with 3.14 into this, we can write as 4 into 4. Okay, this we can write as 4 into 4 or 16 you can write. Okay, this 4 into 4. Now divided by 12. Now 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. So these two multiply. 3.14 into 4. 3.14 into 4, you do it. How much you will get? 3.14 into 4, you do it. How much? 12.56. 12.56 divided by 3, you do it. 12.56 divided by 3. How much you will get it? 4.18 centimeter square. 4.18 centimeter square. So this is area of minor sector. This we have finished. So next what we have to find, area of major sector. So area of major sector we will do it here only. Okay, area of major sector only. That is equal to what it will be, that is what we have to do in area of circle, what we have to substitute, we have to subtract area of minor sector. Okay, area of circle minus area of circle, you just write it, area of circle minus of area of minor sector. Okay, so area of circle means pi r square, right? Minus of area of minor sector, how much you have got it? 4.18 you write it. Now this pi is nothing but 3.14 into r is nothing but how much here? 4 square you write. 4 square is nothing but 4 square. Next you do it, that is 4.18. 3.14 into 16 minus 4.18. Okay, 3.14 into 16 means how much? How much it is? See, you should not use calculator also. For you up to 10th you don't use calculators. After 10th they'll give how much? 50 16 3 is 48. 16 3 is 48. How much? How much it will get? 48 something you should get. 48 or 49 like that you'll get. How much it is? Huh? 50.4 50.24 minus of 4.18. This you do it. 50.24 minus 4.1. 46.26. What? 46.26 what? 46.06 what that is? Centimeter square. So this is what the area of major sector. Okay, understood? Okay, so this is what, this is how we have to, this, like this only you have to write it, and this we have to solve. Okay, understood? Shall we solve next problem? Shall we solve? Okay, so now we will go for next question. Next question, just see. Do you want to write it? Finished? Written? Or will you write it? Completed? We will go for next question, just see. Now question number second, example 2, what they have given, find the area of segment A by B, find the area of segment A by B, okay, shown in the figure. If the radius of the circle, is 21 centimeter and angle AOB that is equal to 120 degree, this angle AOB that is equal to 120 degree, okay, find the area of segment, this A by B segment, this region, we have to find the area of this region. Whatever they have given, just write down theta that is equal to 120 degree, radius of the circle that is equal to 21 centimeter, and the pi value they have given as 22/7. So now we have to find out, now we have to find out the area of this region, area of segment A by B, we have to find out that one. So you know that area of A by B that is equal to area of minor sector. Minor sector means what? AOBY. Area of minor sector AOBY, that we have to find out, minus of area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB we have to find out. First we will find out the area of minor sector. Area of minor sector, how we will find it? I will do it here. Area of minor sector. Area of minor sector. What is the formula of area of minor sector? What is area of minor sector formula? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta value how much they have given? 120 divided by 360 into pi value you take it as 22/7. R value how much they have given? 21 into 21 you write down. Now 0 0 just cancel it. Don't talk. 0 0 just cancel it. 12 1 ja, 12 3 ja. Next 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. So what you left with? 22 into 21. 22 into 21 is how much? Just check it. 22 into 21 is 462. Correct? This is 462 centimeter square. Area of sector we have got it. Now what we have to find out? Area of triangle AOB. Okay. So I'll just minimize this one. Area of triangle AOB. AOB, what is the formula of area of triangle? That is half into r square sin theta. This is what the area of triangle formula. Okay, this is what area of triangle. Half you write as it is. R is nothing but 21 into 21. Here sin how much it is? 120 degree you have. Okay, sin 120 degree. Do you know what is the value of sin 120 degree? You don't know exactly sin 120 degree. So that is why what we have to do means, I'll just have erased I think. Okay, sin 120. So if you know, I have told you that is sin of 120 degree, we can write it as sin of 120 degree as sin of 90 plus 30. Okay, sin of 90 plus 30 we can write it as cos 30. Cos 30 you write out. Okay, what is the value of cos 30? That is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by you take it. Similarly, if they have given means sin 135 degree. Okay, sin 135 degree we can write as sin of 90 plus how much degree? 45 degree. That is equal to how much it will become? Cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is nothing but 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Right? Okay, similarly sin 150 degree. Sin 150 degree, how will you find out? Sin of 90 plus 60 degree. Sin of 90 plus 60 I can write as cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 divided by 2. Okay, so that is 1 divided by 2. So much of confidence. Okay, 1 by 2. You have got it right, cos 30. So that I will write it here. See, sin 120, that is also equal to sin of, that you should write, otherwise examiners don't know this method. If you are writing sin 120 as cos 30 degree, you should show here. Why? Because examiners don't know that method. You should write it. If you have taken, you will say that you have copied from someone else. That is why if you have explained it properly, he will understand. This we can write as cos 30. Okay, cos 30 I can write as root 3 by 2. Okay, sin 120 I can write as root 3 by 2, that you substitute here. That is 2, it will not cancel. 1 by 2 write as it is. 21 into 21 you write as it is. This we can write as root 3 by 2. Okay, how much it will be? Just try to solve this one. Okay, now, so just see here it will become what? Root 3 value is how much? 1.73. Other else we can write like that only. Okay, 21 into 21 you do it, how much you will get it? 441 root 3 divided by 4. You write this much only, at least, no problem. Okay, now you just substitute area of minor sector, how much you have got it? That is 462 minus area of triangle AOB, how much you have? 441 root 3 divided by 4. So this much is also a correct answer. That is what? Centimeter square. This much is the answer. So in this, in your textbook, you have seen it is a very long answer. That is very hectic for you people. Why? Because again you have to go for in 9th class congruence of triangle. You have learned congruence of triangle. That you have to do. And again you have to take sin 30, cos 30. Everything you should do. So that is why this is the easy method to solve. You just follow this method to find the area of triangle. Okay, if they have given 120 degree, 135 degree, you use it that. Okay, if they have given directly 30 degree, 45 degree, you write it sin 30, you know that, sin 45, you know that. Okay, will you find out like this? So question number 1. It is easy. See, don't talk. You just talk. Do it other questions. Do other questions. Don't talk. If you are not getting the answers, just leave that question. Try for other question. I'll explain. If you don't know how to solve question number 3, you just solve other question. 4th question you solve it. Okay. Now, so question number 1, see what they have given. Find the area of a sector of a circle with the radius 6 centimeter. If the angle of a sector is 60 degree. So what they have given, the radius of the circle they have given, how much they have given? That is r, that is equal to, given you write it, r, that is equal to how many? 6 centimeter. And angle made by the sector at the center, how much they have given? That is how much they have given? 60 degree, you take it as 60 degree, don't talk. 60 degree they have given. Now we have to find the area of sector. Okay, area of sector, that is equal to area of sector formula, what it is? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta value how much they have given? Theta value, that is 60 degree. Okay, divided by 360 degree, you write as it is. Pi is nothing much. How much value they have given? They have given anything? No, right? They did not give anything. You just take it as 22 divided by 7. Okay, into. So r value how much they have given? 6. Okay, that we can write as 6 into 6. Okay, now, so this 6 square you can do 6 into 6 we will write it. So 0 0 get cancelled. Next 6 1 ja 6 6 ja 36. Next 6 1 ja 6 1 ja. So instead of taking 22 by 7, you can take 3.14 also. Okay, so 22 by 7 you can also write as 3.14. 3.14 into 6 you do it, how much you'll get? How much you'll get? 3.14 into 6. How much? 18.8, 18.85. Okay, 18.85 centimeter square. This is the area of sector they have asked. Okay, this is the first question. Number 1 is over now. What 184? Hey, we have 22, right? And 22, correct too. Correct. 6 3 is 18. Oh, that you see. Wow, what is your answer? 8 4. No problem. Small here you should not come. It should not be 19. Here 18.84 is enough. No problem. Okay, 18.84, 83, no problem. But this digit and this digit should not be increased or decreased. Here second digit, no problem. Decimal second digit, no problem. You can vary. Okay, next question. Shall we go for next question? Okay, so next question what they have given means find the area of quadrant. What is area of quadrant? Quadrant means what? Quad is nothing but 4. Okay, a circle divided into 4 equal parts. Circle divided into 4 equal parts. One quad is nothing but 1/4 of the circle. One quad is nothing but 1/4 of the circle. So that is question number 2. What they have given means given you take it. Given radius of the circle is how much they have given? Radius of the circumference they have given, which means P that is equal to 22 centimeter. Circumference they have given, and they have asked us to find area of quadrant. Area of quadrant, what is the formula for area? Finding the area of quadrant? Area of quadrant of a circle. Area of quadrant of circle is nothing but what? Area of quadrant of circle is 1 divided by quadrant means quad means nothing but 4. Complete circles 1/4. 1/4 r square sin pi r square. Okay, so that is 1/4 pi r square. What you are telling is that area of triangle. Area of quadrant of a circle is how much? 1/4 pi r square. Pi r square do 1/4 ashte. Okay, pi r squares 1/4. This is what these are. But we don't know what is r. We don't know. But they have given circumference of the circle. From that we can find out the radius of the circle. How will you find out what is the circumference of the circle? P that is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So that is P, how much they have given? 22. 22 that is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, pi we can write it as 22 divided by 7 you write it. Okay, here r you write as it is. Now, so this everything you bring it downside. This 22 get cancel. Otherwise we'll bring it for proper format. This 7 you bring it this side. This will become 7 into what? 22. Okay, this 2 into 22 you bring it in the denominator. 2 into 22 bring it here in the denominator. What will you get? 2 into 22. That is equal to how much? R. Now this 22 get cancelled. What you left with? R is that is 7/2. R that is equal to 7/2 what? 7/2 what? R that is equal to 7/2 centimeter. R that is equal to 7/2. That you substitute here. Okay. So area of that is R that is equal to 1/4. 1/4. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 you take, or 3.14 you take. That is 22 divided by 7 into R is nothing but 7/2. Okay, that is 7/2 into 7/2. Okay, now see this 1 7 get cancelled. So what you left with? 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. Next in any tables will it go? No, right? Next 11 into 7 is how much? 77. 77 divided by 4 2 ja 8. You write it 8 here. Okay, just try to cancel it little more. So there is 8 1 ja 8. How much ja 77? 8 how much? 8 9 72. 8 9 72 means how much is left with 5. Okay, that give it point and make it as 50. 8 how much? 50. 8 6 48. So this will become what? 9.6. 9.6. What it is? Centimeter. So area of quadrant of a circle. Area of quadrant of circle, that is equal to how much? That is 9.6 centimeter square. Understood? No? Okay, so now we will go for one more question. Next question. I think most of them don't know, I think. Next question. So next question, most of them don't know. We will solve that next question. See. So that is easy question. Do you want to write it? Yes, right. Question number 3. So I will read the question once. Just see. Question number 3. The length of a minute hand. Have you seen clock? You have here? No, right? Have you seen clock? In clock there will be minute hand and hour hand and seconds hand. So they have here they have asked given minute hand. So minute hand, you just see it is almost touching to the edge of the, or not edge, curve of the clock, right? Minute hand it is almost touching towards the arc of the clock, right? So you know, right? I'll just write it next to. Okay, if it is clock, you have clock like this. If you have a clock like this, so there will be a minute hand like this. It is almost touching the arc of the circle, right? Arc of the clock, right? Which means that will be considered as radius of the circle. Minute hand we have to consider it as radius of the circle. Okay, minute hand we have to consider as radius of the circle, and length of the minute hand is 14 centimeter. This length of minute hand is how much now? 14 centimeter. I will take from the here. It is nice for you. So this length is how much? 14 centimeter. So they have given this much, and find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. See, normally you see how clock will be. So clock will be like, it is how much it is? 0 minutes. If it is come here means how many minutes it is? 5 minutes. Here it is 10 minutes. Here it is 15. Here it is 20. Here it is 25. Here it is 30. Here it is 40. 35. 35. Here it is 40. Here it is 45. Okay, here it is 50. Here it is 55. Again it will become 60. Now in 5 minutes how much area it is covering? Okay, minute hand it is traveled from here to here. 5 minutes means here to here, right? How much area it has covered? Okay, let us consider, which means this area we have to find. Okay, that area. But in order to find the area of this much, this sector, so we should know what? Radius we know. Okay, it is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta angle we should know, right? Theta angle. So theta angle, how much? We should know that one. So why? Because you know the formula, that is half into 2 minutes. We will finish this. Okay, that is area of this area swept by this minute hand in 5 minutes, that is equal to what? That is area that is equal to theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, so theta value, how much we have to find it? So theta value, just see. So now here started from here, let us consider in 1 minute. So here it is started from 0. Again it is came back to again 0 only, 60 degree. 60. How much angle it has covered? So started from here, again came back to here only, 360. Which means how much minutes it has covered? How much minutes it has covered? 60 minutes, right? Which means in 60 minutes how many angle it is making? How much angle it is making? 60 minutes. 360 degree, right? Then 60 minutes it is making an angle of 360 degree. How much minutes it has swept now? 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, how much angle it has covered? That we have to find it. cross multiplied. Okay, you just cross multiply, it is more than 4. Okay, sorry. So there is cross multiplied, then it will become what? That is 60 into, sorry, now it is in 5 minutes. So this will become what? 5 into 360 divided by 60. Okay, so angle made in 5 minutes, this is that 0 0 get cancelled, 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja. So this is how much? 30 degree. So it is making an angle 30 degree. So when area swept in 5 minutes. So which means theta value, how much you have got it? So that is theta value I have got as theta, that is equal to 30. Okay, that you substitute that r, they have theta value I have got as 30 degree. R value is how much? R value how much they have given? 14 cent. That you substitute here. Okay, now that is 14 centimeter. You substitute here theta value, that is 30 divided by 360 into pi value is how much? 22 divided by 7 into r is nothing but 14. You take it as 14 square, you can it as 14 into 14. Okay, now just 0 0 get cancelled, 3 1 ja, 3 12 ja. Next 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja. Okay, next 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. Next 2 3 ja, 2 11 ja. Okay, so what you left with here now? It is 11 into 14. 11 into 14 divided by 3. 11 into 14 divided by 3. Let's find out how much it will become. Oh, 3 1 ja, 3 12 ja. It is also good. 2 154 by 3. And this is also, you just cancel it. 51 point. That is 51.3. 51.3, what it is? Centimeter square. The area swept by the, you should write last, area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Just write it, area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. That is equal to how much? 51.3 centimeter square. Okay, so like these questions will come for your exams. Okay, so like these questions will come. Okay, they directly won't give the direct theta angle, they will not give. Okay, theta radius angle, the radius they will not give. So they will give circumference, they will give area swept by the minute hand. Okay, like that they will give. So such type of question you have to find theta value separately, radius value separately, then you have to solve. Okay, so remaining questions we will do it in the next class. Question number 4, a chord of circle of radius 10 centimeter. So there is a circle, in that there is a chord. Okay, so there is a circle like this, in that there is a chord, and in that chord, and the radius of the circle. So radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. So this is radius of the circle is 10 centimeter. And the subtended subtends a right angle at the center. This chord, whatever the chord is, subtends right angle at the center. Right angle means what? 90 degrees. So this chord is subtends right angle at the center, means this is 90 degree. Okay, so this is 90 degree. What they have, what's find the area of corresponding minor segment and major sector. So minor segment and major sector we have to find. First what we have to find? T, what they have given, r, that is equal to how much? 10 centimeter. Okay, and the theta, that is equal to how much they have given? 90 degree. What we have to find out? Area of segment and corresponding, means if they say this is chord, means let us consider this is chord, means this corresponding segment is this. So we have to find the area of this segment. We have to find the area of this segment and major sector. Major sector means what? This is what? Minor sector. So if it is a triangle like this, if it's a circle like this is what? Minor sector. Major means what? This is major sector, right? So we have to find the area of this. Okay, so now first you see, we will find out the minor segment. Okay, so first we will find out the minor segment. I will write with a different pen. First we have to find minor segment. Minor segment that is only corresponding segment only. So to find minor segment, what do you want? So to find minor segment, what do you want? Area of what do you want? We don't want area of circle. What do you want? Area of minor sector. In this complete sector, in this sector we have to subtract this triangle, right? Okay, so what we have to do? We have to find area of minor sector. Okay, so the area of minor sector, we will do it. Area of minor sector. Area of minor sector, that is equal to, what is the formula? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta value how much they have given now? 90 degree. 90 degree divided by 360 into pi is nothing but, you can take 3.14 also, you can take 22 by 7 you take. So we will take 3.14. Okay, so now here r value is how much? 10. You just multiply 10 into 10. Okay, this 9 0 0 cancel, 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja. Okay, what you left with? 3.14 into 10 into 10 if you do it. 10 into 10 is 100 into 3.14 is 314 divided by 4. Okay, now just cancel it. How much you'll get? 4 1 ja, 4 how much ja? 4 7 ja, 28. What you left with? 3. 4 8 ja, 4 8 ja, 32. So what you left with? 2 you left with. Okay, so 2 is lesser than 4. That is why what we can do it as, you point, you give it. Okay, just make it to 20. 4 how much ja? 20. 4 5 ja, 20. So that is what you have. Area of minor segment, minor sector, how much you have got it? 78.5. what it is? Centimeter square. Okay, so this we have found out. This we will keep it aside. Okay, I'll just this will write it here. Area of minor sector, you got it. Now remaining what we have to find out? Area of triangle. So area of triangle we will find out. Area of triangle, we will name this as, this is O, this is AB. Area of triangle AOB, that is equal to what? Area of triangle AOB, that is equal to what we will get now? This half into r square sin theta, half into r square sin theta. Okay, this you use this formula. This is easy to calculate. Why? Because in your textbook, so they have taken equilateral triangles, then you have taken sin theta, cos theta. So that we don't want all these things. You solve it from this method. It is easy. Half you write as it is. Okay, r value is how much now? R value is how much? 10 now. Just you write it 10 into 10. Okay, theta value how much they have given? That is 90, sin 90. Sin 90 is how much? Sin 90 is 1. So this you can write as 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Okay, so that is 10 into 5, how much it is? 50. Sin 90 is 1. Okay, 50 into 1, if you do it, how much it will become? 50. 50 what it is? 50 centimeter square. Area of triangle, how much you have got it? 50 centimeter square. Okay, so that I will minimize it. Hey, don't talk. Okay, now, so you know that minor segment, area of minor segment or corresponding segment, that is equal to area of minor segment, that is equal to what? Area of sector, area of minor sector, area of minor sector minus of area of what? Area of triangle AOB. Okay, area of minor sector, how much we have? 78.5 minus of area of triangle, how much we have? 50. See, 78.5 I have taken from here. So that is 50, you write it 50 here. 78.5 minus 50, you do it, how much it will get? 20, that is 28.5 centimeter square. Area of segment, area of corresponding segment, how much you have got it? 28.5. Similarly, what we have to find out? Major sector we have to find out. Okay, so major sector formula, what is formula? So do you know the formula? So area of major sector, what is formula? What is area of major sector formula? Area of circle minus of area of minor sector. Okay, area of minor sector. We know that area of minor sector. Okay, but we don't know what is the area of circle. So area of circle formula, it is pi into r square. R is nothing but what here? 10. Okay, so radius, that is how much they have given? 10. You'll take it as, so 10 into 10. Okay, so 10 into 10 means this second rate as, so next step we'll do it, that is r square. Okay, that is pi value we can write as 3.14 into 10 into 10, you do it, minus of here we have, how much we have? Area of minor sector 78.5. Here it is 78.5. Now, so that is 3.14 into 10 into 10, if you do it means, so this will become what? 314 minus 78.5. Now this is subtract it, how much you'll get it? How much? Otherwise I'll do it. See, 314. So if you have how to subtract these type of problems, if you have 314, write as it is. Here after point, how many decimals are there? 1. Okay, so this we can write as only one decimal, you write it. Now here 78.5. Okay, like that you write it. Okay, so 10 minus, okay, 10 minus 5 is, that is 5, you just reduce here 1. Okay, 3 minus 8 is 3, we can't minus it, like 3 minus 8 we can't do it, that is what 1 you borrowed from here. So then it will become out 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 means how much it is? 5. Yeah, you write it 5. Okay, here it will become what? 0. Okay, you borrow it from here, then it will become what? 10 minus 7, if you do it, 3 you do it. I have borrowed 1 from here, then what you left with? 2. That is 235.5. What it is? Centimeter square. The area of major sector is this much. Okay. So now we will go for next question. Just write down this question. So what they have given? So in a circle of radius, don't talk. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. Okay, there is a circle. Okay, there is a circle. The radius of that circle is 21 centimeter and arc subtend at the center is 60 degree. So let us consider there is a circle. Question number 5 it is, there is a circle like this and the radius of the circle is 21 centimeter and there is an arc. Okay, this is what arc, right? Here, this, let us consider this as AB. AB is a arc. This arc subtends an angle 60 degree. Subtends an angle 60 degree with the center. Okay, so next what they have given means, and find the length of arc. We have to find the length, this length of AB. Okay, and find the area of minor sector. Find the area of sector formed by arc. Area of sector formed by this arc, whatever the arc it is formed, right? Whatever the area, this area we have to find out. Okay, next find out the area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. Corresponding chord means just draw a line of this arc. Whatever the area we have got it here, we have to find this. This is what the corresponding chord. Sorry, corresponding segment formed by the chord. And now just see, we have to find, so whatever they have given, first you write down, that is radius of the circle, how much they have given? 21 centimeter. Theta, that is equal to how much they have given? That is 60 degree. Okay, so first question what they have given? What we have to find? Length of arc. You have to find length of arc. Okay, you know the formula, length of arc, that is equal to, what is the formula to find the length of arc? L, that is equal to theta divided by 360 into, that is 2 pi r. Okay, theta value how much we have now here? that is 60 degree, 60 degree you write as it is divided by 360 degree into 2 you write as it is pi value. What will take pi value? See, when you have to take 3.14, when we have to take 22 by 7 means here it is radius is multiple of 7. Whenever the radius is multiple of 7, then you take it as 22 by 7. If the radius is not multiple of 7 means you take it as 3.14. Okay. So now here you just listen. When we have to take pi value as 22 by 7 or 3.14 means when the radius is multiple of 7, then you take it as 22 by 7. If it is not multiple of 7, you take it as the pi value as 3.14. Now this you substitute. Pi value is how much now? 22 divided by 7. R value how much they have given? 21. You just substitute this. 2 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. Next. So 0 0 get cancelled. 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja. Okay, now 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Okay, this 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. So what you left with? 22. So that is the length of R, that is equal to what? 22 what this is? Centimeter. 22 what it is? Centimeter. Okay. So this is how we have found out the length of arc. Okay. So similarly next what we will find out? So next we will find out what it is. What we will find out next? Area of sector found by the arc. The area of sector, what is the formula to find out the area of sector? Okay, theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Area of sector, that is equal to, okay, I'll just write it with a different pen. Hey, don't talk. Area of sector, that is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, theta value how much we have? That is 60 degree, write it 60 degree divided by 360, you write as it is. Okay, into pi value is how much? 22 by 7, you write it 22 divided by 7 into r value is 21, you just write as 21 into 21. Okay, now this you can write as 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. Next, so 0 0 get cancelled, 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja. Next, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. Sorry, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Next, 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. 21 into 11 you do it. That is 231 what? 231 centimeter square. Okay, this much you have got it. Okay, just write down this one till now. Hello. ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಸ್ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಾರ ಬನ್ನಿ ನೀವು. ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಂದು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸರಿ. Okay, and now you have got it this much, right? And so now we will go for next one. What do you have? Area of segment. We have to find out the area of segment. First we will find out in order to find the area of segment, first we will find out the area of triangle. Okay, we will find out the area of triangle. So area of triangle, you just see what they have given. What you know the formula of area of triangle? What is the formula? Area of AOB, area of triangle AOB, that is equal to half into r square sin theta. Half you write as it is, r value how much it is? That is 21 into 21. Okay, into r value is sin. Theta value is how much? Theta value is 60 degree. That is 60 degree, right? Half you write as it is. Okay, 21 you write as 21 into 21. Okay, sin 60 is how much? That is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Now just you multiply this 21 into 21 means 441. So that is 441 into root 3 divided by 4. Area of triangle, how much you have got it? 441 divided by root 3 divided by 4. You, if they have given root 3 value as 1.73 or 1.7, you just write it and you just substitute the value. If they have given root 3 value as 1.73, substitute the value and write. If they have not given means no need, just write as it is. Or still if you have interested means you can do it. Okay, so this area of triangle we have got it. So here, now what we have to find out? So we have to find out area of segment. Area of segment means area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, so the area of segment, that is equal to area of segment, that is equal to area of sector minus of area of triangle AOB. Area of sector, how much you have got it? Area of sector, that is 231, right? That is 231. Okay, 231 minus of area of triangle, how much you have? 441 root 3 divided by 4. So you can write this much also. So this is what the area of segment. Okay, this is what the area of segment. Area of segment, that is equal to what? 231 minus 441 root 3 divided by 4 centimeter square. Okay, so this much you have. This if you solve these three problems properly, so then we can solve any type of questions. If you solve these questions properly, you can solve any type of question. Okay, so now shall we go for next question? Next question is what? Question number 6th. Okay, 6th one we can solve question number 6th. Question number 6th, see what they have given. Question number 6, what they have given? That is, okay, a chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter. Okay, so see what they have given. So they have not given the length of chord. Don't misunderstand this. They have not given the length of chord. The chord of a circle subtends. The chord of a circle having radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree they have given. So there is a circle. Okay, in that circle there is a chord. That chord's circle having a radius of 15 centimeter. This chord subtends an angle at the center. At the center it is 60 degree. This chord is AB. Okay, this chord AB, so that is subtending an angle 60 degree with the center. Having radius how much? 15 centimeter. You don't take the length of the chord. You by mistakenly you will take length of the chord is 15 centimeter. That is not correct. Okay, and now so we have this much, and what they have given means find the area of corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. Minor and major segments of the circles they have asked, and this pi value they have given as 3.14 and root 3 value they have given as 1.73. okay, so that is means from this we can write as theta value, r value, that is how much they have given. R value, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, theta value, that is equal to how many? 60 degree. 60 degree you write down. Next we have to find a minor segment. So which means minor segment meant this, right? Okay, minor segment, area of minor segment is this much. Okay, so I'll just area first. In order to find minor segment, we will find out the area of not circle. We know we have to find this much area, right? We know not to find this much area. First we have to find area of sector. After that, area of, if we have to find this much, if you have like this means, so this is what area of sector. First we have to find area of sector. Then what we have to do? We have to subtract this one, right? this triangle we have to subtract, then we will get this much area, this we will get it, this much we will get. So first what we will do, we will find out area of, what we will find out, area of minor sector. Okay, so area of minor sector we will find out, that is area of minor sector, that is equal to area of minor sector, that is equal to, what we will get now, what is the formula, theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, theta value how much we have, that is 60 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value you can take it as 3.14. Why? Because here the radius is not the multiple of 7. Okay, here it can take it as 3.14 into r value is how much we have, that is 15, that is 15 into 15 you do it. Now 0 0 get cancelled, 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja, next 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja. So what you left with again, 15, this you multiply it, otherwise what you can do it as, this you cancel it, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja 2, what you left with, 1, so we left with 1, so this point you write as it is, what left with 11, 2 how much 11, 2 5 is 11, okay, so what you left with, 1 you left with, 2 how much 14, 2 7 14, so what you left with, 15 5 is how much, 75, 75 into 1.57 you do it, 75 into 1.57, you do it, how much you will get it, how much you will get it, 117.75 centimeter square. This is what area of sector. Okay, we have to find area of segment. So in order to find area of segment, area of sector we have found out, area of triangle we have to subtract it. So that is why we will find out the area of triangle now. So I will write it here, this as separately. Area of triangle, it will become what? Area of triangle AOB, that is equal to half into r square sin theta. Okay, now half write as it is, r is nothing but how much, that is 15 into 15 sin theta, and theta value is how much, sin 60, sin 60 you write it is, okay, that is half you write as it is, 15 into 15 write as it is, sin 60 is nothing but root 3 divided by 2, 15 into 15, 225, 225 divided by 4 into root 3, we have to solve this one, 225 into 1.73, 225 into 1.73, someone you do it, this one, 225 into 1.73 divided by 4, find out, 225 into 1.73 you do it. Why? Because they have given that root 3 value is 1.73 they have given, and the pi value they have given as 3.14, multiply 225 into 1.73, how much will you get? How much? How much? No, it is not 20 point something, 200 something it will come, more than 200, 389.21, 389.25 divided by 4. Okay, this you cancel it again. Now 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja, 4 9 ja 36. So what you left with again here? 2, 4 how much ja? 4 7 ja 28. Okay, so what you left, point you keep as it is, what you left with? 28 1. 4 3 ja 12. Okay, that is 4 1 ja, so that is 97.31. Okay, area of triangle, how much you have got it? Let it here only. area of triangle that is equal to 97.31 centimeter square. Okay, this much you have got it. Now we have to find out area of segment. Okay, area of segment that is equal to what you'll get, area of segment that is equal to area of minor sector, area of minor sector minus area of triangle. So area of minor sector, area of minor sector minus of area of triangle AOB. Okay, area of minor sector, how much you have got it? That is 117.75, 117.75 minus of area of triangle, how much you have got it? 97.31. And this, in this you subtract this one, 20.43. 20.43, what it is? Centimeter square. 20 is 20 4, no problem. 4347 approximate value, no problem. No problem, you write it 434744, little bit variation here. This number we can write it 44. Okay, now 437 you can write as 4.44 you can write. Now see here, here what you have, area of minor segment we have found out. We have to find area of major segment. Area of major segment that is equal to area of major segment. What we have to do, area of circle minus area of circle minus area of circle minus of area of minor segment. You know that area of minor segment. We have to find the area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Okay, minus of area of minor segment, how much you have got it? That is 220.44 only you take it. No problem. 75 means 44 only take it. 343 equals second. Now pi value is how much? 3.14. R value is, that is R value is how much? 15. Now you take it as 15 into 15 minus of 20.44. Now this you multiply it, how much you will get it? 706.5 minus of 20.44. 706.5 minus 20.44, how much you will get it? 686.06 centimeter square. This is what the area of major segment. Okay, area of minor segment we have got as 20.44. Okay, so area of major sector we have got as 686.06. You just check the answers. Check the answers once. Okay, so this is that horse problem. Horse problem you do it as homework. Horse problem you do it as homework. Along with that you take one more value. Horse problem they have given as radius as length of rope as 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter, right? Length of rope as 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter. You take one more, length of rope as 21 centimeter also you take. Length of rope as 21 centimeter. Okay, see, you will get a quadrant. I will just explain how you have to solve means, if it is a square field, if it is a square field, now if I have tied a rope, okay, it will move like this, right? It will move like this, right? How it is looking like for you? How this is? That is, now just see how it is thus. Angle subtend here at the 90 degree. 90 degree, right? Theta value 90. Or else we can write as this is looks like a quadrant. This is looks like a quadrant. Quadrant, area of quadrant that is equal to area of quadrant of a circle. Area of quadrant of a circle is how much? Area of quadrant of a circle 1 by 4 pi r square, right? You can use this formula also. If you take that one also means what? 90 divided by 360 is also nothing but 91 ja 94. So that is also 1 by 4 only. Okay, you can use directly this for formula also. Okay, you solve that question number what? Horse problem with a 5 centimeter length rope, 10 centimeter length rope and 21 centimeter length rope. Will you solve for tomorrow's class? Okay, so maybe in day after tomorrow's this chapter will finish. We will go with the some more questions I will take from outside or from other R.S. Agrawal or we will see from those book we will solve questions. Okay? Okay, question number 7. Just see question number 7, what they have given means chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. So there is a circle. Okay, so there is a circle like this, and in that chord of a circle, they have not given length of the chord of a circle having the radius how much they have given? 12 centimeter and substance and angle. This chord AB, let us name it as this chord as AB. That chord AB is making an angle 120 degree with the center. How much angle it is making? 120 degree with the center. Okay, so now they have given this much. Find the area of corresponding segment of the circle. Corresponding segment of the circle means this is chord AB, right? This chord AB means corresponding segment of this chord AB is this one. So we have to find the area of this. Okay, so we have to find the area of this. So you know the area of triangle, right? First we will find out. How will you find out the area of this segment? How will you find out? Area of sector minus area of triangle. This you name it as O, triangle AOB. Okay, first what we will do? First we will find out the area of sector, then area of triangle, and we will subtract area of sector minus area of triangle. We will do it, then we will get the answer. Okay, whatever they have given, that we will write down first. So just what they have given, the theta, that is equal to how much angle they have given? Theta is equal to how much angle? 120 degree you write down. Next, radius of the circle, how much they have given? That is, how much they have given? 12 centimeter. Find out the area of sector first. Okay, area of sector, we will use the different pen. Area of sector, that is equal to, what is the formula for finding the area of sector? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, so theta value how much they have given? That is 120 degree divided by 360 degree. Okay, pi value you can take it as, see here radius is not the multiple of 7. So the pi value you can take it as 3.14 you take down. Next, r value is how much? 12, that you can write as 12 into 12. Now, so this is 0 get cancelled. 12 1 ja, 12 3 ja. Okay, next 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. So now you just multiplied. 12 4 ja how much? 48 into 3.14. 48 into 3.14 you do it, how much you will get it? 48 into 3.14. 150 point 150 point, so 150.72 will get 150.72 what? Centimeter square. So this is what area of sector we have found out. Okay, so next what we have to find out? Area of triangle. So I will keep it to this side. Area of triangle, that is equal to what you will get now. Just see, area of triangle AOB. What is the formula to find the area of triangle? Half into r square sin theta. Half into r square sin theta. No, just take this one only first. half into r square sin theta. Okay, now, so this half you write as it is. R value is how much? 12. You just write as 12 into 12. Next, theta value how much they have given? 1. You just write it to sin 120. Okay, sin 120. But we don't know our direct value of sin 120 value, we don't know. Okay, so how can I write this sin 120? Sin 120 I can write as sin 120 I can write as sin of how much? 90 plus 30 we can write, right? Okay, sin of 90 plus 30 I can write as cos 30. So that is cos 30. Okay, cos 30 is how much? That is root 3 by 2. Write it root 3 by 2. So you have got it, right? This value you have got it. That you substitute here. Or else you write as 1 by 2. Write as this you cancel it. So 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. So what you left with? 6 into 12 into this you can write as cos, or else you write directly this value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. But you have to mention this one beside while solving the problems. This should be there beside. Okay, now this is sin 120. Sin 120 can write as root 3 by 2. I have solved this one. If we have solved, that is why I am writing directly. Okay, so that you just multiplied just 2 1 ja 2 how much ja 2 6 ja 6 6 ja 36. Okay, root 3 value you can write as 1. They have given did they given the root 3 value? That is 1.73. 1.73 you have taken. Just multiplied these two. 36 into 1.73 do it. How much it is? 62.28. 62.28 what it is? Centimeter square. Okay, now we have found out area of triangle. Okay, so now we have to do area of segment. We have to do find the area of segment, area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, so that we will do it in the next slide. Area of segment, that is equal to area of segment, that is equal to area of sector minus of area of triangle AOB. Okay, this you do it. Area of sector, how much you have got it there? 150.72 minus of area of triangle, how much you have got it? That is 62.28. 62.2. Now in this you subtract this one, how much you will get it? 88.44 centimeter square. This is what the area of segment they have asked us to find. Got it, everyone? So there is a square field like that. You have a square field like this. Okay, and in this square field there is a grass. Okay, there is a green grass. Is it looks like grass? No, you assume it. If not, means. Now this is not looks like a grass. Okay, I'll just draw a horse now. Then you see then what it will be. Actually, it looks a little bit similar to grass, but if I draw a horse means you can't predict also. Okay, there is a horse. That horse is tied by a rope. That horse is tied by a rope. Of length, they have given one as length of the rope as 5 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Okay, so if it is horse, adjust it. This is not us. Okay, so now I have tied this horse. But what it is? Kangaroo or what? Dinosaur. Okay, adjust it. Now I have tied this horse by a rope of 5 meter or 10 meter. First we will take it as 5 meter. Okay, so now this rope, if I tied this by a rope like this, it can move up to here, this much area, right? This horse can move up to, horse can graze the, horse can eat the grass only this much area as feed. It will not eat more than that area. Why? Because if I tie a rope, it will not go beyond it. Okay, so now we have to find the area of this. Okay, we have to find the area of this. So now how it looks like for you? How it is for you? How it looks like for you? That is, now just say. So this is what? 1/4 of the circle. Or else we can solve it by this. How much angle it is now? 90 degree. You can solve from that one also. Okay, so now I will consider the area of this field. We will name it as AOB. Now we have to find the area. We have to find the area of this field. Okay. Now, so I'll just I'll keep it this as aside. Question number, what question number it is? Question number 8. So first, what they have given? This length of the rope, we can take it as length of rope. Length of rope. How much they have given length of rope? 5 meter. Okay, 5 meter. The area. So area horse can graze. Horse can graze. That is equal to how much that is? Area horse can graze, how much it is? What is general formula? Theta divided by 360 into pi. What is theta value now? 90 degrees. So 90 degree we can write as 90. That is it, but otherwise it is a quadrant of a circle. What is the area of quadrant of circle? That is 1/4 of pi r square. You use this formula, then it is easy for you. Okay. When this is length of rope, you can also take it as r. A length of rope you can also take it as r. R, that is equal to how much? 5 meter they have given. Okay. When r is equal to 5 meter, then area horse can. The area horse can graze, that is equal to area horse can graze. Horse can graze. That is equal to what? 1/4 times of pi into r value is how much? That is 5 square. You can dash 5 into 5. You do it. Okay. So that here this pi we can write as 3.14. I'll write it directly here only. So that is 1/4 into 3.14. And now just multiply it. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into 3.14. 3.14 into 25 divided by 4. These two we multiply. 25 into 3.14 is how much? 25 into 3.14. 70 something will come. 78.5. Okay, 78.5 divided by what you have? 4. You just cancel it. How much it will be? 19.625. You tell your answers, don't see and tell. You just solve it and tell. Why? Because in exam it will not come for you. While solving you will make mistakes. If you solve it by your own means, then it is good. So this is 19.625. What it is? Centimeter square. When meter square it is. So when the length of rope is 5 meters, then the horse can gaze an area of how much? 19.625. Okay, if length of rope is equal to how much? 10 centimeter. Okay, so length of rope that is equal to, if length of rope that is equal to how much it is? 10 meter, which means radius is how much now? That is 10 meter. R that is equal to 10 meter. R that is equal to 10 meter. The area horse can graze. Area horse can graze. That is equal to how much it is? 1/4. So pi r square. Pi r square is in pi. You can take it as 3.14 into R is nothing but 10. Okay, that you can write as 10 into 10. Okay, so 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 3.14 is 314 divided by 4. 314 divided by 4 means how much? 78.5. How much? 0. That is 78.5 meter square. Okay, question is not finished up to here. Question is not finished up here. What they have asked means how much area is increased when the length of rope is 5 meter to the 10 meter. Length of rope is when it was initially it was 5 meter. Now we have increased the length of rope. And how much we have increased? Up to 10 meters. How much area it has increased? Okay, area increased of the field horse can graze is that is equal to how much? That is 78.5 minus 19.625. And this is subtracted, how much you will get it? 58.875 meter square. This much of area it is increased when the length of rope is 5 meter to the 10 meter. And this is what the answer you have. Question number 9, what they have? A brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of circle. I have told brooch is nothing but the shining metal thing. It is used to keep it on the blazer. So that is what the brooch. So that is made up of made is in the form of circle with the diameter is how much? 35 millimeter. 35 millimeter, and wire is also used in making the 5 diameters. Okay, that see you have what? There is a brooch. Okay, that brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of circle. So let us consider we have to make a brooch. We have to use a wire and form a circle. You have to use a wire and form a circle. This is what circle we have used. Don't talk. Hey, finished? Next question finished? Last question finished? All finished? You go for next chapter. Trigonometry yourself. Now we will do it. I will come with you just read question. Try to solve question. Now, so we have used silver wire to form a circle of brooch. This we have completed, and we have used wire is also used to making 5 diameters, which divides into 10 equal sectors. We have used wire, silver wire. You concentrate on me. We have used diameters. Okay, we have used diameters, and those diameters formed 10 equal parts. Okay, let us consider one diameter. Wire where I have used means to form the diameters. This is one diameter, and this is second diameter, and this is third diameter, and this is fourth diameter, and this is fifth diameter. This is what actually brooch looks like. So we have used a silver wire. We formed a circle type of brooch, and that silver wire is also used to make the diameters. This much length of wire, silver wire we have used. Okay, these diameters, whatever the diameters are there, they have divided this complete circle into 10 equal sectors. 10 equal sectors is nothing but what? This is one sector, right? This is one sector, right? Okay, this is also another sector. This area, that is also equal to this area. That is also equal to this area. Okay, and that is also equal to this area. 10 equal sectors. That 5 diameters divide the circle into 10 equal sectors, that you have to remember. Okay, now, so 10 equal sectors means how it is? 10 equal sector means how? What is the angle formed by the each sector? What is angle formed by the each sector? First you tell me what is the diameter of the circle? Diameter of the circle is 35 millimeter. Okay, if the diameter is 35 millimeter, what is radius? Okay, so that is radius, that is equal to 35 divided by 2, right? 17.5 you can, if you write it now, it looks point decimal value, don't write. Why? Because while making calculations it is difficult for you. That is, instead of writing 17.5, I'll write as 35 divided by 2 millimeter. We can write right like this. Okay, and we know the radius now. So in first question what they have asked means, first question, total length of the silver wire is used. First question what they have given, I'll just write with a different pen. Silver wire is used to make brooch. Okay, now you only just see where we have used the silver wire. Circumference and how many diameters? 5 diameters. Okay, silver length of silver wire, that is equal to, so that we can write as now length of silver wire, that is, so circumference of the circle you find out first, that is P, that is equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into pi value, you can take it as 22 divided by 7. Radius is how much? 35 divided by 2. Okay, this 2 get cancelled. 7 1 ja, 7 5 ja. And 25 into 5 is 22 into 5 is how much it is? 5 2 ja 10. Okay, 5 2 ja 10, 11. This is length of circumference. How much you have got it now? 110. What it is? Millimeter. So now we have not used silver wire, not only here, we have also used for diameters. We have to find out the length of all the diameters. Diameters, 5 diameters, length of 5 diameters, length of 5 diameters, that is equal to 5 times of length of diameter is how much? Length of diameter is how much? How much they have given? 35, right? You write it 35. 5 into 35 is nothing but how much? 175, write it 170. 175 millimeter. Total length of wire is used. Total length of wire is used. Total silver wire is used. Wire used, that is equal to how much it is? That is 110 plus 175, that is equal to how much? 285 millimeter. So this much they have asked. Okay, and now we have finished with one part of the question. Okay, shall we start with the next part of the question? So what they have asked? Second, what they have asked in second? Area of each sector. Okay, now just see those diameters divided the area of circle in how many sectors? Okay, so how many sectors it has divided? 10 sectors. Okay, so now we have to check one sector, how much it is angle is making. Total how many degrees are there now? How many degrees are there now? How much degree it will be? 360 degree. Okay, that 360 divided into how many equal parts? No, not how many? 10 equal sectors, which means each sector has consist of how much angle? That is, if it is if it complete circle, how much degree it is making? 360 degree. 10 sectors means that is 360 degree divided by 10. Okay, 0, 0 it cancel, that is 36 degree. Now, how much angle it is making each sector, that is equal to theta, that is equal to how much? 36 degree. That is theta, that is equal to 36 degree. Okay, so that I'll now we have got as theta value that is as 36 degree. Now we can find out, right, area of sector. Area of sector that is equal to area of sector that is equal to, what is the formula? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta value how much we have? 36 divided by 360 into pi value is how much? 22 divided by 7. Why? Because this radius is multiple of 7. Okay, so that is radius how much you have? 35 by 2, right? Radius. How much you have? 35 by 2. That you can write as 35 divided by 2 into 35 divided by 2. Okay, now just try to cancel it, does this one. So 36 1 ja, 36 10 ja. Next, 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. Next, 7 1 ja, 7 5 ja. Next, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So carefully you have to solve it. Next, anything, is there anything to cancel? No, right? 2, where it is? 2 2. I have cancelled. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, go over. 2 1 ja? No, not it will come. It will not come. Okay, now what you left with? 11 into 35 divided by 2 into 2, if you do it, that is 4. And this you multiply it. 11 into 35 is 385. And 385 divided by 4, you do it, how much you will get it? Question number 10, right? So what is the meaning of ribs here? Have you seen umbrella? Have you seen umbrella? Okay, so in that question number, I'll just read the question. Question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs. Ribs is not inside our body, ribs, not those ribs. Okay, so some metallic white thing it will be there now in the umbrella. Okay, that we call it as ribs. Okay, so in our lungs also, just see our, you have seen skeleton, how it looks like that. Those are also one type of ribs only. Okay, that we call it as in umbrella. You have metallic wire, no, that we call it as ribs. Okay, and assuming that an umbrella has 8 ribs which is equally spaced. Okay, whatever the umbrella you have, okay, that is equally 8 ribs are spaced. Okay, and space means they have kept. Assuming that umbrella to be a flat circle. Okay, assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between 2 consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Okay, so what they have asked means, indirectly they have asked us to find out the area of a sector. Okay, I'll just draw the umbrella now. I'll just draw the umbrella. If I am drawing little bit bad means just please adjust how it will be umbrella. Question number how much it is? 10. Okay, this looks like umbrella, right? No problem. It looks little bit. No. Okay, this is actual umbrella looks like. It actual umbrella. And what you have to do means, now just you open the umbrella, you just make it down. Okay, whatever you keep it like this now, but you make it down like this. So whatever you can see is, it will looks like a form of circle. It looks like the form of circle. I will draw it how it will be means. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, this is one rib. Okay, I'll just properly do it. How many ribs it has? 6 or 8? 8 ribs it has. Okay, so now just check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ribs you have, equally spaced. Okay, I have drawn little bit more or less are there. This, if you see from the top view, it will be looks like this. Okay, so now how much, so the what is the area between two consecutive ribs? Let us consider this is one rib and this is second rib or consecutive rib. The area between this and this means what? We have to find the area of this sector. Okay, so which means first we will find out the what is this angle theta. Okay, what is this angle theta, and we will find out the area of this sector. How will you find out the area of that theta? How will you find out the that theta value? No. Sorry, 360 divided by yes. Okay. Now whatever you have, it is complete circle makes an angle how much? How many degrees? 360 degree. Okay. So how many equal parts it is making now? 8. Also, which means to find theta value, what we have to do? 360 divided by 8. You should do it. Okay. I'll just make it this as small. Theta value that is equal to how much? 360 degree divided by 8. That is equal to how much? 45. That is making an angle 45 degree. Each sector it is making an angle 45 degree. Theta value is how much now? 45 degree. This we have finished. Now what is the radius? How much they have given? Radius R 45. That is 45 centimeter. We write it 45 centimeter. Now, so what you have to find? We have to find the area of two consecutive ribs. Okay, so indirectly they have asked to find out the area of sector. Okay, so that is area of sector. Area of sector that is equal to, what is the formula area of sector? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta value how much we have? 45 divided by 360 into pi value is how much? It is what? It is multiple of 5, 7. No, that is it as 3.14. You take it directly. 3.14 or else 3.14 into this 45. Radius is 45 means 45 into 45. Okay, now that is you just cancel it from the 5's table. 5 9s ja. Okay, 5 9s ja. 5 how much ja? 5 72. 5 how much ja? 5 7 ja 35. What are you left with? 1. 5 2 ja 10. Next 9 1 ja. 9 how much ja? 72. 9 8 ja 72. 9 8 ja 72. Okay, is there anything to cancel? No, right? If I take this as 3.14 as 22 by 7, is there anything? We can cancel it, right? 2 11 ja, 2 4 ja. Anything? That is only correct, right? We will write 3.14 only simply. Why again? 3.14. It is 8 you left with. Now it is multiplied. 45 into 45. How much it is? 45 into 45. 20 25 into 3.14 divided by 8. In this you find out how much it will get. 2025 into 3.14 divided by 8. How much? But it is 6358.5 divided by how much? No problem. 8. 8 1 ja, 8 how much ja? 63. 8 how much ja? 8 7 ja? How much? 56 ja? 56 means how much you left with? 56 means there 4 7. 8 9 ja how much? 72. What you left with? 3. 8 how much ja? 8 4 ja 36. So 8 4 ja 32. 8 4 ja 32. What you left with? 6. You left with 6. 8 8 ja 8 ja 64. So this is 794.8 centimeter square. So this is what the area of area between two consecutive. You just write last area between two consecutive ribs. Just check the answer once. Not there. How much it? 3 by 2 7.5 divided by 28. Okay. Just we will do it. Just write down this one. 794 point area between two consecutive ribs, that is equal to 794.8 centimeter square. Okay, this is also correct only. We will just check it. Okay, I don't have phone. We'll just, otherwise I'll calculate and we'll get it. So the next we have finished. Okay, shall we solve next question? Question number 11C. Have you seen car? Hey, we have seen. Have you seen cars? You know about cars, right? When it will be raining, you go. When it will be raining, so cars have some wipers in the front of that glass, right? That wipers, it will, when it is raining, it will move like this, right? It will move like this. That forms a sector. Okay, so let us consider. I will just draw question number Z. What they have given means question. I'll just read the question once first. A car has two wipers, okay, which do not overlap each other. Have you seen that one? That whether they overlap each other? No, right? Those wipers will not overlap each other, and they have also given each other. Each blade has a length of 25 centimeter. Each blade has a length of 25 centimeter, sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Okay, whatever that is, it will sweep no like this. Okay, it will sweep like this on the glass. That sweeping an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Okay, so each sweep of the blades we have to find out. Okay, so now we just see what they have given. Question number 11. I'll just draw it first. So let us consider this is glass. Okay, this is a glass of your car, or someone's car. If you don't have means, you just borrow it and use the car. Okay, so this is a wiper blade like this, and this, oh, it is very small, just a little small. Okay, this is one wiper blade, and this is another wiper blade. Why it is changing? Now, if it is rotating means it will make some, like, it will sweep like this, right? Up to. It will go like this and come, it is go like this, it will come like this, it will come, right? So it sweeps like this much of area. How it is looking like for you? Sector, how it is looking like you for a sector. Now this is also, it is sweeps, same exactly. Both are same only. Okay, this is also sweeps like this. Yes. And now you have like this, right? We have to find out the area of each wiper. We have to find out the area of each wiper swept. A wiper swept the area that we have to find out. So that each wiper making an angle, how much degree it is making an angle? That is 115 degree. This is also 115 degree. Okay, and now see what they have given. Just you know that each. So first we will find out the area swept by one. Area swept by one wiper. Okay, so I'll just take the theta value. How much they have given now? Theta value, that is equal to 115 degree. A radius of the wiper is how much? Radius of the wiper, how much they have given? 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter meter. Centimeter. So this much they have given. Okay, now we have to find the area of this and the area of this each. Okay, now you just see, we will find out now area of this. You know the formula, that is area of wiper swept. Okay, area of wiper swept or area of sector, you directly write down, that is the area of sector. Area of sector, that is equal to what formula? Theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Okay, so theta value is how much now? That is 115 15 degree divided by 360 into pi value is how much? Did they given? Pi value did they given? No. So that is why you take it as 22 divided by 7. Okay. R value is how much? 25 into 25 you take it. I will take it little bit this side. 25 into 25. Okay, so now you just add it. This you multiplied, how much you will get it now? Yes. Okay, and this multiplied, how much you will get it? So shall we go with the 5 table? Shall we go with the 5 table? That is 5, how much? 5 2 is 10. What you left with 1? 5 3 is. Next, 5 how much? 572 is. Next, 2 11 is. 2 how much? 236 is. Next, anything? Is there any chances? Let go. 23 1 ja, 23 2 ja. No, it will not come. Next, any other chances? No, right? Okay, so now this is the area of sector of each, this one blade. Okay, area of sector of one blade this is. How many total, how many blades are there? How many? 2 blades. So that is why what we have to do? We have to multiply by 2, you do it. Otherwise, you find out the area of this one, just multiply by 2, you do it. Okay, area of sector, area of each sector, area swept by one blade, that is equal to, so this you multiplied 25 into 25 is 625 into this, you do it 23 into 11, this you do it, how much you will get it now? 25 into 25 is 625 you write down. Next, 23 into 11, 23 into 11 is 23 plus 23, that is 3 5 253, 253 into 625 do it. 23, okay, here it is. So 5 2 ja, this 5 3 ja, you have got it, 72 2 ja. Yes, this you multiplied, how much you will get it? How much? 158125 158125 divided by how much? 36 into 7. How much? Multiply it properly. 252. Okay, so this is area swept by the one blade. How many blades we have totally? How many blades we have? 2 blades. So area, so that is why I'll write it as area swept by 2 blades, or 2 wiper blades, you can write it, 2 wiper blades. So that is equal to 2 times of area swept by, so single blade. So that is equal to 2 times of this, you do it now, 158125 divided by 252. Now this 2 1 ja, 2 how much ja? 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja, so what you left with? 1 2 6 ja. So what you left with? 158125 divided by 126. What it is? Centimeter square. The area swept by each wiper blade is how much? That is 158125 divided by 126 centimeter square. Okay, so this is how we have to find it. See, whenever you have, if they have given pi value is 3.14, write it in the form of decimals. If they have given pi value as 3.14, write the answer in the form of decimals. If they have not given pi value in the form of 3.14, then directly write in the form of fractions. Okay, directly write in the form of fractions, whatever we have written. See, anyone have solved question number 12? Anyone? Have you seen beaches? Beach, shore area, beach. Have you seen Titanic movie? How many of you? Okay, if you have seen, means no problem. Why the Titanic get fell down, or why it has ship broke? Just because of there was some iceberg at the down. Okay, now similarly that same concept here now. So near the shore or near the sea, near the sea, there is a lighthouse. Do you know lighthouse? What is lighthouse? Okay, so that lighthouse warning. So to warn ships not to collide with the underwater rocks. Underwater rocks will be there, right? Okay, so not to collide with underwater rocks, they are warning those ships. How they are warning those ships means by spreading the light over some spaces. Okay, let us consider now. This is sea. Okay, so this is complete sea. This is lighthouse. This is something lighthouse. You just consider lighthouse like this. Okay, so ships are coming from here. Ships are coming from there. So there are underwater rocks here. So I have to warn that lighthouse people has to warn that, okay, don't come in this area, there are underwater rocks. Okay, so that is what they are doing means they are not each and everyone, hey, come here, this is here it is rock, like that they'll not say. What they'll do means they will throw a light. Okay, that red color light. Okay, they are throwing a red color light which shows. Okay, wherever it is, wherever the rocks are present, it will show to, it will be visible to ships. Okay, how they are that spreading that light means in a sectoral form. Okay, in a sectoral form, so like this they are spreading. Okay, so like this they are spreading means, so how much angle it is making? So they have given in the question, just read the question at least. That is how much angle they have given. So let's see, to warn ships underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red color light over the sector. I have told over a sector of angle. How much angle? 80 degrees. So which means this is how much it is now? This is an 80 degree. This is an 80 degree. Okay, 80 degree. Now to a distance, how much distance it is? 16.5 kilometer. In terms of kilometer only you write it. 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over the ships are warned. Okay, so how much area ships are going to be warned, which means how much area of red color light it is visible. Okay, so which means I'll just name it as with the red only. So red light spread like this. Okay, red light spreads like this on the sea. So now we have to find this area. Understood? We have to find this area. So what is the radius of the circle? Radius of the sector now? What is radius of the sector? R, that is equal to 16.5 kilometer. Okay, what is the angle made by the sector now? That is theta, that is equal to 80 degree. Now area of sector we have to find, or area of red color spreaded. Okay, area of red color spreaded. So that is R, that is equal to 16.5 kilometer, theta that is equal to 80 degree. Okay, so now, so what did they given pi value? Pi value they have given. How much pi that is equal to how much they have given? 3.14, which means pi value substitute as 3.14 only. Okay, now area of sector that is equal to area of sector that is equal to what is formula? Theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. Theta value how much now we have? 80 degree. 80 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value you have to take it as 3.14. You take it as 3.14. Okay, r value is 16.5 into 16.5. Now that 0 0 cancel. Let's try to cancel it. 8 4 2 ja. Okay, 4 2 ja. 4 how much? 36. 4 9 ja 36. Okay, is there any chances whether it will go in 9 how much ja? So 9 1 ja 9 how much ja? 9 1 ja 9. How much you left with? How much you left with here? 9 6 it will not go, it will not go. Just don't cancel it, that one. 9 3 ja 9 3 ja 5.5. This one you'll get, this one you can cancel it. 9 this 65 you'll get. 9 1 ja 3 directly will cancel, otherwise you multiplied everything you multiplied. We'll just see, multiplied this and 6.6 16.5 16.5 16.5 into 16.5 you do it. 16.5 into 16.5 you do it, you will get something. Which one? 3 3 if you cancel it you will get it. 3 3 ja okay. 3 5.5 ja okay, no problem. Okay, 3 1 ja this one okay. 3 5.5 ja okay, like that also you can do it. Now 15 5.5 5.5 into 5.5 5.5 into 5.5 no problem, divided by 9 you do it again, no problem. Divided by 5.5 into 5.5 you do it, how much you'll get it? 13.3.14 into 13.25. Hey, 13.25 you should not get. Okay, so this is 2 into 3.14 into 30.25. And now these all you multiplied. These all you multiplied, how much you'll get it? 1, you do it and say, don't say it like that. You have done it. If you multiply all this, 189.97. 189.97, what it is? Kilometer square. Okay, now check the answer once. Check the answer, correct? Okay, so area of red light spread over the sea. Just write it, last sentence. Area of red light spread over sea, that is equal to how much? 189.97 kilometers square. So a round table, okay, a round table cover has 6 equal designs. Let us consider this is a round table. It is a round table. It has 6 equal designs you have. Okay, design as shown in the figure. How it is? Design, see, wherever you have design means like it's a little bit design the thing are there. This is a blue color, whatever blue color, that is empty. Wherever you have design like this, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Ayo. So this I'll draw the different pen. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, these all are equal only, just I have not drawn equally. Okay, design, wherever you have design, they have equal designs you have. So this is one. You have design like this. This is what actual figure you have. Now the round table cover has 6 equal designs shown in the figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, radius of the cover is 28, how much? 28 centimeter, and find the cost of making the design at a rupees of 0.35 per centimeter square. Okay, for 1 centimeter square, how much cost they are taking for 1 centimeter square? 0.35 rupees for 1 centimeter square. So to make design this, whatever the design you have, for 1 centimeter square, how much rupees they are taking? 0.35. Okay, so 0.35 rupees they are taking. That you write down, whatever they have given, that you write down first. So radius of the table is how much? That is 28 centimeter. Okay, cost of design per centimeter square is how much? Cost of design, that is equal to 0.35 per centimeter square. 35 rupees per centimeter square. This much they have given. So now we have to find out the area of this all 6 designs. What are these designs looks like for us? Segment, right? Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find the area of one segment. Alright, area of 6 segments we have to find out. First we will find out the area of one sector. Okay, then we will find out the area of, first we have to find out the area of sector, then we have to find out the area of triangle. Why? Because area of segment is nothing but area of sector minus area of triangle. We will find out the area of sector first, then we will find out the area of triangle. In order to find area of sector, what do you need? Theta and r value we have. Okay, theta value we have to find out. Now just see these designs makes an angle how many degree with the center now? How much? 6 equal angles, right? If it is these designs are equal, means how many angles it will make? This is one. Now we will just check. So this total how much degree it is? 360 degree. Okay, so for which means each angle how much it will do? The theta, that is equal to 360 divided by 6. How many angles we have? How many designs we have? 6 designs we have. That is a 360 divided by 6. If you do it, 60 degree it will become. Now we will find out the area of what? Area of what we will find out? Area of sector. Area of sector, that is equal to what it is? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, theta value is how much? 60 degree divided by 360 degree. Okay, into pi value is, they have given a pi value 3.14, take it as 3.14. Not given, not given means you don't take. Take it as 22 by 7 only. So pi value take it as 22 by 7 into r value is how much? That is 28. You write it at 28 into 28. Now 0 0 get cancelled. Now 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja. Okay, now 7 1 ja, 7 4 ja. Next anything? 3 2 ja. No, not 3 2 ja. 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja. Anything? No, right? It will not go right. Just multiply and keep it. Huh? Is there any chances of cancelling? No, right? Just multiply. 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 28. 44 into 28 would do it. How much will you get? 44 into 28 divided by 3. 1 2 3 2 divided by 3. This much we have. This is what area of sector. Area of sector we have got it. Now what we have to find out? Area of sector we have found out. Area of triangle. Okay, how much angle it is making at the center? 60 degree. Area of triangle. What is the formula to find the area of triangle? Area of triangle. This you named as O. This as AB. Not this one. Okay, area of triangle. Area of triangle AOB, that is equal to half into R square sin theta. Okay, I have told you when you have to take cos theta. It is always sin theta only. 90 plus 30 means then you have to take cos 30. So now you know that half you write as it is. R value is how much? 28 into 28. Sin theta. Sin how much it is? Sin how much it is? 60. Okay. 2 1 ja, 2 14 ja. So now 14 into 28 you write as it is. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Now just 2 1 ja, 2 14 ja. Okay, 14 into 14 is? Oh, I have cancelled it. We will take. 14 into 14 is 196. Okay, don't talk. 196. Root 3 value how much they have told? 1.7. Multiply it and say it. How much will you get it? Multiply and say it. 196 into 1.7. Say exact answer. How much it is? 3 to 333.2 centimeter square. Okay, so this also you write it in the form of decimals. Okay, this also you write it in the form of decimals. Why? Because that is in the that is also decimals. This is also you have to write it in the form of decimals. I'll just cancel it, just see how it will go. Okay, now so I'll go with the 2's table. See, otherwise 3 table will check it. No, 3 1 ja, 3 how much ja? 3 4 ja 12. Okay, so again it is 3 1 ja. Okay, so that is here what you have? 2 is lesser than 3. That is 4 3 10 ja you take. 3 10 ja how much? 30. So what you left with? 2 you left with. Okay, point you take it and this will make it as to 20. For 3 how much ja 20? 3 6 ja 8. 3 6 ja how much? That is 18. So that is 410.6. That is 410.6 centimeter square. Now, so area of, you know that area of design that is equal to area of one design that is equal to how much? Area of one design that is equal to how much? Area of sector minus area of triangle. 1 second. Area of triangle AOB. Yes. Not correct. 3 4 ja 12. Okay, 3 10 ja 30. So you take it as 3 10 ja 30, right? 3 10 ja 30 I have taken. 3 10 ja 30. That you have what you left it 2. 2 I have kept as it outside. Okay, I'll explain it later for you. Just now, as of now, you take it now. I'll explain how you have to take. Now, this whatever you have got it. Now, area of sector, how much you have got it? 410.6 minus of 333. 2. These two will subtract it. How much will get it? 77 point. I want answers. 77.4. What 77.4? What? Centimeter square. This is area of one design. Totally how many designs are we have? Area of 6 designs. Area of 6 designs. That is equal to 6 into 77.4. That is equal to how much? 4. Are you using any calci? No, right? Oh, okay. No. 464.4 centimeter square. Okay. So now our intention is not to find the area. Our intention is to find the total cost of designing these 6 designs. For one design, for 1 centimeter square, how much they are costing? 0.35. Total how much centimeter square we have? So see, what we have to do means, for 1 centimeter square, they are costing 3.35 rupees. Right? 1 centimeter square, they are costing 0.35 rupees. For 464.6 centimeter square, 464.6 centimeter square, how much they will cost? Okay, this cross multiplied. This you have to multiply with this, and this you have to multiply with this. So what you are left with? The cost of 6 designs, that is equal to 6 times of 0.35 into this 464.4. And this you multiplied 162.68. What it is? That is 68 rupees. Cost we are finding. So you take it as 163 rupees or 162 or 162 rupees. You can write it like this. Cost of finding the 6 designs. Cost of making 6 designs is how much now? That is 163 rupees. Understood? Everyone? Okay. So we have one last problem. Okay, so we have one last problem that you have to solve it. 14th one. What is that you done? Which option is correct? D. Why it is? Because why option D is correct? What they have asked? What they have asked? Which of the following is? What correct? I know, we know which of the following is correct. What it is? Area of sector. Which of the following area of sector is correct? Actually, what it is, what we use? That is area of sector, that is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. This is actual. Is there anything like that there? No, sir. But they have little modification they have given. They have done. What modification they have done is, they have multiplied 2 here, multiply and divided by 2, they have done it. And then it will become what? Theta divided by, so 360 into 2, if you do it, how much it will become? 720, you write it 720. The 2 pi r square you write as it is, 2 pi r square. This is what? Area of sector. Okay, we can write like this also, right? This is this little modification they have given. 2 I have multiplied here and there. Finished. Which option is correct? Question number 14. Answer is D. We have see See, what I am trying to say is, to find the area of triangle, it is very difficult. I have taught you a very easy formula. You learn it from that. If you go online, search online anywhere, area of triangle, they have solved from a different method. They have taken two equilateral triangles. Again, they have to find sin theta, cos theta. Like that, you have to do it. This is very easy method. But we have to remember, if sin 30, 60, 45 means directly sin 30, sin 45, you can write it. Whenever they have given 120 degree, what we have to do it? 120 degree sine. If theta value that is equal to 120 degree if they have given. How will you write it? Sine 120. That is sine 120. How will you write it? That is sine of 90 plus 30. Okay, sine of 90 plus 30 I can write it as cos 30. Okay, cos 30. Cos 30 value, you know what it is? Root 3 by 2. Okay, similarly if you have sine of 135 degree, how will you write it? This one. Sine of 135 degree, how will you write it? This one? Cos 45. So how will you split it first? That sine of 90 plus 45. So that you can write as cos 45. Cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root. Like that you have to solve. No? But in the other problems, in at least you see in your textbooks also they have given different method. You try it from this method, it is very easy to find. Okay, so this we have finished with this chapter. One chapter we have finished. I don't know, I got some paper, so that I am referring now. Okay, see, 2025, 2025, they have asked this question. I'll just write down here, just copy it from here. What it is means. So one question they have given, AB and CD are diameters of a circle with a center O and radius 7 centimeter if don't talk if angle BOD is equal to 30 degree, then find out, try to solve this question, find the region. I'll just draw the figure with, before. This is what a circle, this is O, this is BOD, this is AOC. So this is what the figure. Area, we have shaded region area is this one. This you should find out. I write it in notes. You have to find the area of this shaded region. Okay. Now find the area and perimeter of shaded region. Okay, how will you find out? Find out the area and perimeter of the shaded region. Perimeter means what? Diameters plus length of arc, right? Diameters plus length of, just open it. Diameter plus length of arc, right? Okay, so this whatever you have, we have to find the area of shaded region and perimeter. So perimeter means what here? Who? Taru. Tanuja. Back. From back you go. Pi value take it as 22 by 7 or 3.14. You can take anything. This calculation you have to do properly. This is what the question they have given. Hey, listen here first. This is what question they have given. We will try to solve this question. We have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means what? So I'll just write the different pen. Just see perimeter means. So this is what the perimeter of BOD. Okay. And another perimeter is AOC. BOD is making an angle how much degree? 30 degree. If it is 30 degree means this will be how much? That is also 30 degree. Why? Because in lines you have learnt, if two lines are intersecting each other, vertically opposite angles are equal. So which means angle BOD that is equal to what now? Angle BOD that is equal to angle AOC. That is equal to how much? How much? 30 degree. Okay, so first we will find out the length of arc. Length of arc is how much that is? Length of arc dB. dB is how much it is? So we have to find perimeter, right? What is the perimeter of the? Okay, perimeter we have to find. We have to find the area of shaded region. And they have given that the angle that is equal to angle BOD that is equal to angle AOC that is equal to 30 degree. And radius of the circle how much they have? An R that is equal to 7 centimeter. First see here. Perimeter means what? Perimeter, whatever the region I have, whatever the length I have shaded with the pink color, that is what? Perimeter. So now you just see this DO, AOC, what it is? AOC, right? It is. Okay, see. DB, DC, one diameter, and another is BAR, AB, another. Remaining part left with this DB and AC, right? That is what this, whatever the pink color, that is only perimeter. Shaded regions perimeter is what? Whatever I have written in the pink color. Okay, now first I will find out the wherever the pink color we have perimeter that is equal to perimeter. I'll take with a different pen. Perimeter that is equal to. So what is length of AB are two diameters length, that is AD plus अथवा DC plus AB plus DB plus AC. You know that DB and AC are equal to each other. Okay, DB and AC are equal to each other. DB that is equal to AC, you know that. So DB is nothing but what? That is length of arc, right? DB is nothing but length of arc. We will find out the length of arc. How will you find out? What is the formula to find out length of arc? Length of arc. What is the formula to find out length of arc? Theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. So I'll just write it length of arc that is equal to length of arc, length of or dB only will write length of dB that is equal to theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, theta is nothing but how much we have theta? How much angle it is making theta? BOD is how much? 30 degree, you write it 30 degree divided by 360 degree into 2 value, write as it is. Pi value is how much? 22 by 7, you take it 22 by 7. Okay, into R value is how much? 7. 7, 7, just cancel it. 0, 0, just cancel it. 3, 1 ja, 3 how much ja? 12 ja. Okay, next 2, 1 ja, 2, 6 ja. Okay, next, so 2 how much ja? 2 11 ja, 2 3 ja. So what you got as 11 by 3. Okay, 11 by 3 we will substitute there. Okay, so you know that dB and AC are equal. Okay, now here just see DC is how much? DC or CD or DC is how much they have? Diameter how much it will be? If it is radius is 7 centimeter, diameter is 14. So that is why you take it as 14. Okay, AB is also how much? that is also 14 plus this, how much I have? 11 by 3, that is 11 by 3 plus this is also 11 by 3. Now just solve it this one. Okay, this will become what? 34 or 34, correct, right? No, 28 plus if you have same numerator, denominator. If you have same denominator, numerator, just add it. How much it will become? 22 divided by 3. And now take the LCM of 1 and 3. Find out the LCM of 1 and 3. Or else what you do? Here only just cancel it. 2 3 1 ja, 3 7 ja 21. What you left with 1 point, you give it. So here it will become 10. 3 3 ja. So this is what will become 7.33. So this 28. Okay, 28 plus 7.33 is how much? 28 plus 7.33. How much? 35.33 what? Centimeter. The area of perimeter, that is length of perimeter length, that is equal to how much? Perimeter of shaded region. Perimeter of shaded. This question they have asked in this 2024 exam, 2025 exam, like this year. Okay. Now, perimeter of the shaded region is how much? 35.33 centimeter. Okay, this we have finished. Now we have to sector. We have to find the sector. How many sectors we have? These two are. If it is making an angle 30 degree, here also it is making an angle 30 degree, means both are equal. These two are equal. So the area of shaded region I can write as 2 times of DOB or BOD you can write, right? Okay, this area of shaded region, that is equal to area of shaded region, that is equal to 2 times of area of BOD. Okay, 2 times of area of BOD is nothing but what? Area of BOD is nothing but what here? Area of BOD is what here? What it is? Sector or segment? Sector, right? What is the formula to find the sector? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, now, so 2 into theta value is how much they have given? 30 divided by 360. Okay, into pi value take it as 22 divided by 7. R value is how much they have given? 7 into 7 unit. Now 7 cancel, 7 1 ja cancel, 0 0 get cancel, 3 1 ja, 3 12 ja. Next 2 1 ja, 2 how much ja? 2 6 ja. Okay, next 2 3 ja, 2 11 ja. So 11 into 7 you do it, how much you will get it? 77 divided by 3. Okay, just cancel it. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 how much ja? 3 2 ja 6. What you left with? 1. 3 5 ja 15. 3 5 ja 15. What you left with? 2. Give it point and make it to 20. Okay, how much it will become? 3 how much ja? 3 6 ja. Okay, it will become what? 25.66 centimeter square. Okay, so it will come 666 like that. 25.66 centimeter square. So this is what the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region, that is equal to 25.66. So this they have asked for 6 marks question. 3 marks question. For 3 marks they have asked this much. Okay, so now we will solve the previous year questions. Okay, so previous year questions asked in CBSE. Okay, like 2014, 15, okay, 2023, like that. We will be solving some of the questions. Okay, now, so this one question what they have given means, okay, in figure AOBCA again. So is a quadrant of a circle. Is a quadrant of a circle of radius how much? 3.5 centimeter radius they have given. Okay, and with the center O, the center is O. Calculate the area of shaded region. We have to find out the area of shaded region. See how many figures we have, just we have to figure it first. So now you just see, so this is whatever line, this is a straight line. Okay, this is not a curved line. Okay, this is a straight line and this is quadrant of a circle. Now we have to find the area of this region. In order to find the area of this region, what I have to do means, so I will find out first I will find out the quadrant of a circle. Okay, first I will find out the quadrant of a circle. In that, what I have to subtract? What is this? This is what? That is triangle, right? This AOD is a triangle. So in area of quadrant, we have to subtract area of triangle. Okay. So now see, so we will find out what we will get now. So area of shaded region, that is equal to area. First we will find out area of whatever they have given, that you write it. R, that is equal to how much they have given? R, that is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Me centimeter, this meter or centimeter, just check. That is centimeter. Okay, 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter you take down. Area, that is equal to how much? Area of quadrant value, area of quadrant. What is area of quadrant formula? That is 1 by 4. Otherwise directly we will find out. Otherwise area of shaded region, area of shaded region, area of shaded region. So that is equal to what you will get? Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Area of quadrant minus of area of triangle. Area of triangle AOD. Okay. Now you just see. Now you just see. You just see what they have given. Area of quadrant. What is the formula to find out the area of quadrant? What is the formula to find out? Find out the area of quadrant. 1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4 pi r square. So that is 1 by 4 pi value is, you take it as 1 by 4 pi r square minus of area of triangle. Area of triangle AOD. AOD is nothing but half into base into height. Okay. So I am not using that half into r square sin theta. Half into r square sin theta I am not using. Why? Because this triangle is not subtending at the center of the circle. This is separate triangle. See, this is a separate triangle. Whenever you have separate triangle like this, so then we have to, it is base, this is height, means area of triangle, that is equal to half into base into height. This is what formula. If you have a circle like this, if you have a circle and a triangle formed like this, if you have a triangle like this, then so what you will get means, here what is area of this circle, this triangle? Area of this triangle, what it will become? That is 1 by 2 r square sin theta. Okay, you have to use like this. Okay, now, so now you just see, so use this. Okay, so use this. Now 1 by 4 you write as it is. Pi is nothing but what you have to take? Pi value is 22 by 7, 22 by 7. Okay, into r value is how much? 3.5, that is 3.5 into 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5. Minus half of base is how much? 3.5, right? Base is how much? 3.5, 3.5 into height is how much they have given? 2 meters, 2 centimeter, that is 2 centimeter. Okay, now this you calculate how much you will get. Now this will become 7 1 ja 7.5 ja. Okay, 7 1 ja 7.5 ja, that is 4 2 ja 4 11 ja. How much? 2 2 ja 2 11 ja. Okay, this much you have. Next, anything, is there anything to cancel? A 2 2 you just cancel it. Now just multiply it. 3.5 into 5 or else 11 into 5 you do it. How much you will get it? 5.5, yeah. Okay, 5.5 into 3.5 divided by 2 minus of 3.5. How much you will get it? 5.5 into 3.5 you do it. How much you will get it? 5.5 into 3.5. Calculate. How much? 19.25. 19.25 divided by 2 minus 3.5. Now 2 1 ja 2 how much ja? 2 9 ja 18. Point you give it. What you left with 1? 6 ja. 9.6 minus 3.5. How much? 6.5. 1 centimeter square. So area of shaded region is nothing but how much? 6.1 centimeter square. So this is what the answer. Okay, and just take down. Just finish it first. Okay. So now we just see this question what they have means ABCP. ABCP. Okay, ABCP is a quadrant of a circle. ABCP, this one. This is a quadrant of a circle. So quadrant of a circle, what is the area of quadrant of circle? 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay, 1 by 4 pi r square, quadrant of circle they have given, and the radius of that quadrant of a circle is 14 centimeter. This radius is how much? 14 centimeter they have given, and with AC as diameter. AC as diameter. AC is diameter of a semicircle. A semicircle is drawn. Considering AC as diameter, you draw a semicircle. Considering AC as a diameter, you draw a semicircle. Find the area of shaded region. Okay. First, so we will find out what they have radius, what they have given. R that is equal to how much they have given. Radius how much they have given? 14 centimeter. You rated 14 centimeter. Now you just analyze this one. We have to find this shaded region. How will you find out? First, what we will do? Area of triangle ABC we will find out. Area of triangle ABC we will find out. Next, area of semicircle. We add it. Okay. Area of triangle, area of semicircle, you find out, we will add it. In that, what we have to subtract means area of quadrant. If you remove this area of quadrant, then what you left with? This shaded region. Okay, shall we solve like that? Okay, just I'll write it, area of shaded region, that is equal to, directly we will do it, area of shaded region, area of shaded region, that is equal to area of what it is? Area of triangle ABC. Okay, area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle, area of semicircle, minus of area of quadrant. Okay, minus of area of quadrant. So you just see, now I have to find the area of this semicircle. In order to find the area of semicircle, what you should know? What is area of semicircle? Half pi r square. Okay, you need r right there. Okay, r you need. So that r is for this one. This AC's r we don't know. This AC's length we don't know. So that is why you apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle means what is this length? Okay, apply Pythagoras theorem, then it will become what? I'll just use the different pen. So then AB square plus BC square, that is equal to AC square. Okay, AB means how much we have? 14 square plus 14 square, that is equal to AC is nothing but how much? We don't know exactly how much. AC your square you write as 14 square plus 14 square means how much? It will become 214 square. 2 times of 14 square, right? Okay, this AC, so you have square you have. If you bring that square this side, so this will become what? Square root of 2 into 14 square. Now, so this we can write root 2 you write as it is. So this 14 square root means what you will get? That is 14 you will get. Okay, AC you write as it is. AC is diameter. Okay, AC is diameter. What we have to find out in order to find this area of semicircle means radius we have to find. Okay, radius that we will take it as capital R. Okay, that you mention it. Capital R, that is equal to radius of semicircle. Radius of semicircle. That is R, that is equal to R, that is equal to what you will get? That is 14 divided by 14 root 2 divided by 2. Okay, so this is AC is what? Diameter. If AC is diameter is Okay, that you write AC, that is equal to 14 root 2 centimeter. 14 root 2 centimeter. Then R, that is equal to how much? 14 root 2 divided by 2, that is nothing but 7 root 2 centimeter. Now we will find out. Now we will substitute in these formulas. Okay, now you just see I will use different pen. Now, so area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is nothing but half into, this is a right angle triangle, no? We can use it. Half into base, right angle triangle means you can use it. Half into base into height, plus, okay, area of semicircle is how much? Half into pi r square, minus of area of quadrant is 1 by 4. Oh, this is capital R. Why? Because area of radius of semicircle is capital R. Okay, that you mentioned capital R. I'll just write this as that is pi capital R square. Okay, minus of area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square. That you substitute here all the values. Okay, now so that is half into base. How much we have? 14. 14 we write it. 14 into height. How much we have? How much you have? 14. Plus half into pi value you take it as 22 by 7. 22 by 7 you take it. 22 divided by 7. Okay, R value how much we have here? Capital R. 7 root 2. 7 root 2 square. Okay, 7 root 2 square means how much it is? 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Minus of 1 by 4 pi value take it as 22 by 7 into R value is how much now? 14. Okay, now 14 into 14. This much we have. Okay, now just try to take common. At least we'll just see what commons you'll get now here. Now we will cancel it. We can take common also. We'll cancel it. So that is 200 to 7 ja. Okay, otherwise if you take common then it is little bit nicer as compared to 2 1 ja 2 7 ja. Okay, we'll see. Now this 7 just cancel. Okay, 2 1 ja 2 11 ja. Next here what you left with? 2 2 ja 2 7 ja. 2 1 ja 2 7 ja. 7 1 ja 7 1 ja. Okay, now just multiply it. 14 into 7 is how much? 90. Eat 14 7 ja. Correct? I don't think 14 7 ja 98. Okay, 98. Next plus. Now this you do it. Root 2 into root 2 is how much? 2. 2 into 7 is 14 into 11 is how much? 154. Minus of. Now here you just see 7 you left. What is 22 into 7 you left with? 22 into 7 you do it. How much you'll get it? 150. That is also 154. Just 154. Plus 154 minus 154 cancel. What you left with? 98. What it is? Centimeter square. This is what the area of shaded region. 98 centimeter square. Okay, just write down first. See, they have given, so this find the area of shaded region. Okay, in the given figure, PQ that is equal to 24 centimeter, PQ that is equal to 24 centimeter, this is 24 centimeter, and PR that is equal to how many? 7 centimeter, and O is the center of the circle. Okay, so now we have to find out the area of shaded region. Okay, shaded region means, so now if it is, this is 7, this is 24 means, this is how much? If PR is 7, PQ is 24, what about this one? QR is how much? Why? Because in order to find the area of semicircle, so we have to know the radius of this semicircle. This is, they have not given radius of the circle. That is why we have to use the Pythagoras theorem and find out this RQ or PQ. RQ find out. Okay. Now you just see whatever you have here now. So what we have to do means, we have to find the area of semicircle. Area of semicircle minus what we have to do it? Area of triangle. And now just see, this triangle is a right angle triangle. Why? Because if a line passing through the, if a diameter if a diameters, so it is, if you have a like this, if it is a diameter and it will make an angle 90 degree at here, this point. Okay, if it is diameter, so diameter, it is making an angle 90 degree at this point. Okay, that you should know, that you have learnt in ninth. In ninth you have learned this one. Okay, now, so this is a right angle triangle and semicircle. First we will find out the, so whatever they have given, that we will write down first. So what they have given, PQ, that is equal to 24 centimeter. PQ, that is equal to 24 centimeter. And PR, that is equal to 7 centimeter. And we have to find out this RQ. Using the Pythagoras theorem, that is RQ square, that is equal to what it will become? RQ square, that is equal to RQ square, that is equal to PQ square plus PR square. Okay, otherwise you write it from triangle. You write here from triangle. From triangle, what it is? That is PQR or else QPR. That is RQ square, that is equal to PQ square plus PR square. And you know that angle P, that is equal to angle P, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now you have like this, and you will find out RQ square. So RQ square, that is equal to PQ is how much? PQ is how much? 24 square plus now PR is how much? Just see, 7 square. So 7 square. Now just see, add it. This will become 24 square means how much? 24 square. 576. Okay, plus it is 576. Correct. Okay. 7 square is 49. And these two you added. 6 25. Okay, so now you just see 625 is a square of which number? 25, right? So which means PQ, that is equal to, we can write as 25. 25, what this is? Centimeter. Okay, so that I will write it beside here. Now we have found out the, so diameter. Now what we have found out? Diameter, that is RQ, that is equal to RQ, that is equal to how much? That is 25 centimeter. Then radius of the semicircle, it will become what? The radius R, that is equal to 25 divided by 2 centimeter. You write it like this only, radius, that is equal to. Why? Because if diameter is 25, radius it will become what? It's half. Okay, now, so next we will find out the area of shaded region, that is equal to area of shaded region, that is equal to area of what? Area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Which triangle that is? QPR. Okay, now area of semicircle, you just see. Area of, what is the formula to find out area of semicircle? Half into pi r square minus of, what is area of triangle? Half into base into height. Why? Because it is a right angle triangle, that is why you take it as half into base into height. Half into base is how much we have? Base into height. Next we will do it, base into height. Now half you write as it is. Pi value you take it as 22 divided by 7. Okay, R value how much we have? 25 divided by 2 into 25 divided by 2 minus of half of base value how much we have? That is base value is 7, height value how much we have? 24. Okay, just check, is there any common things in between these two? No, right? You do not have any common things, right? You can cancel it. That is 2 1ja, 2 12ja. Next, 2 1ja, 2 11ja. Next, anything? No, right? I do not have anything. Just multiply. 25 into 25 is 625. 625 into 11 means? 625 into 11 means? 625 into 11 divided by how much you have, divided by 7. 2 2 ja 4. Okay, 4 into 7 if you do it means that is 28 minus of here what you have 12 7 ja 12 7 ja how much, how much 84, you just 84. I just cancel it, or else you can use by this also you can find out by taking the LCM. By taking the LCM also you can do it, or else you just cancel it. How much you'll get it now? It will not get cancelled. Otherwise, shall we do LCM? We will do LCM and then we'll write it. We can cancel it. How much you'll get for? This you multiply 625 into 11. 6875. Okay, now 6875 divided by 28 minus of 84 divided by 1. Now take the LCM of 28 and 1. Okay, if you are feeling very difficulty in dividing means take the LCM first. 84 and 28 and 1 is 28, you will get it. 28 1 ja 28. Okay, 128 ja 128 ja 28. 28 1 ja 28, 128 ja. So that is 6875 minus of 84 into 28 you do it. How much you get it? 84 into 28. 84 into 28. How much? 2, 2, 3. In this you subtract this one. How much will get subtract this one? 5 minus 3, 5 minus 2 is 3, 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 3 is how much? That is 5. 4, 5, 2, 3 divided by 28. If you write this much also, no problem, you will get this is correct answer. Okay, so this area of shaded region, area of shaded region. That is equal to, if you are getting very complications in calculating or dividing means you keep as it is, no problem, that is also correct one. Okay, now 4 5 2 3 divided by 28. This may the answer. What is unit? Unit will become centimeter square. You write it. Okay, just write down. Okay, shall we go for next question? Okay, next question, just see. What they have given means find the area of shaded region. Where it is shaded? This area. This is the shaded region. Not dark. No, we will see. Let's wait. Now find out the area of shaded region in the figure. Okay, next. Where radii of two concentric circle. Concentric circle means what? No, in your 9th you have learned. Two circles having same center. Those we call it as concentric. Where whatever it is, different radius. Okay, different radius having same center. Now concentric with the center O. Next, the radius with the center O 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The having the radius of two circles are one is 7 centimeter, another is 14 centimeter. Radius of the one circle is how much? This is 7 centimeter. The small circle radius is 7 centimeter. Larger circle's radius is 14 centimeter. They have given respectively. Then angle AOB that is equal to 40 degree. Angle AOB that is equal to how much? 40 degree. Now what we have to find out? Area of shaded region we have to find out. What you will do? Now what you will do? First we will find out the complete area of circle. Then area of first what is area of complete circle? In that area of small circle you remove it. Then area of or else okay, or else what you can do it is, what you can do it as, find out the area of major sector. Find out the area of major sector of bigger circle. Next you find out the major sector of smaller circle. Okay, in that major sector you remove this major sector. Understood, right? Okay, so now what I have to do is I will find out the major sector of bigger circle. Next I will subtract that I'll subtract that major sector of smaller circle. Understood? Okay, so whatever you have, okay, this complete major sector you will be getting this much complete area. Major sector is this much complete area we will be getting. Okay, this much complete area. In that, so I have to subtract this portion. If you remove this one, no, what you left with? This pink color you are left with, right? Okay, so that is why what I will do means area of major sector we will find out. Area of major sector of bigger circle minus of area of major sector of smaller circle if we subtract. Okay, shall we do it now? Okay, so now I'll just I'll take it as radius of small circle. I'll consider as R1, that is equal to how much? 7 centimeter. Okay, and radius of large circle as R2, that is equal to how much? 14 centimeter. Okay, now we will find out the area of shaded region, that is equal to area of shaded region, that is equal to area of major sector of large circle. Okay, area of major sector of large circle. Okay, minus of area of large circle minus of area of major sector only, right? This I have to remove it. This is small circle. In this you subtract this one. Okay, now just see what you will get. Area of major sector of large circle. What is the formula? Theta divided by 360 into pi which r square. Large circle we have taken as cap R2, so that is R2 square minus of, okay, minus of theta divided by 360 into pi R1 square. Now just see theta value is both the same for both the values. Okay, now with theta value we have to consider as, if it is 40 means this will be how much? The theta that is equal to, they have given theta as 40 for smaller sector. Theta var for smaller sector, but you just write on here small sector or minor sector. Minor sector. So major sector, what is theta now? Theta made by the major sector, angle made by the major sector is how much? That is 360 minus 40. 360 minus 40, you do it, how much you will get it now? That is 320. 320 degree. That 320 degree substitute in this. Okay, so now you have 320 divided by 360 into pi, you write as it is. Okay, next we will take on. There is R value, how much you have? The R value, that larger circle, that is 14 square minus of, now theta value here also 320 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value, take it as it is. R1 value, how much you have? 7. Okay, that is 7 square. Now you just observe in these two, what do you have common in these two? Major sector only. Major sector only you should take. I will explain once you just see, listen. Okay, now in these two, what do you have common? 320 divided by 360 and pi. Is that you take common? Okay, if I take common, that is 320 divided by 360 into pi, we have common. What you left with? 14 square minus 7 square. 14 square minus 7 square. Okay, now just this can cancel, 0 0 get cancelled. Next 4 how much ja? 4 8 ja, 4 9 ja. Okay, now this is what you left with. 8 divided by 9, pi value take it as 22 divided by 7. 14 square means how much? 196, you write it 196 minus of 7 square is 49, you write it 49. Okay, 196 minus 49, you do it, how much you will get it? 1. I just check once. 8 divided by 9 into 22 by 7. Correct? How much it is? 146 minus 49 is 145. Yeah? 145. Next. Whether it will get cancelled in this. I'll just check whether it will cancel. No, right? In 3's table at least. No. Just multiply it everything. Multiply it everything, what you'll get? Hey, just check. This is not 145, just check it. 196 minus 196 minus 49. Okay, 16 minus 9 is how much? 7, right? Okay, that you left with 8 minus 4 is 4. 147, right? And that is 147. Now, just check, it will go in 7 table. 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, 7 1 ja. Next, is there any possibilities? 3 7 ja, 3 7 ja, 3 3 ja. Any other possibilities? No. Just multiply it then. Now 8 into 22 into 7 you do it. How much you'll get it? 8 into 22 into 7 divided by 3. Just check it, how much you'll get it? 22 into 8, 22 into 7, 1 2 3 2 divided by 3. This may be the answer, correct answer. If you divide it and write it, you will get something. You have done it completely. Okay. That is, if you have written this also, no problem. If you cancel it, that's 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 12. So that's 3 1 ja. Now you don't take it as directly point, you don't take it now. You will get confused here. Okay, so that is why 3 10 ja you take directly. 3 10 ja how much? 30. 3 10 ja 30. So what you left it? 2. That you write it 2 outside. Point you give it. This will become 8 to 20. 3 how much ja? 3 6 ja 18. So this is 18 you take it. Then again 3 6. What you left with? Again 2 you left with. Again it will become 6. So what you left with? 410.66 centimeter square. Okay, if you have written this much also, no problem. That is also correct one. Okay, so this is what the answer. Just understand. Take this question as homework. Okay, just pause the video. 1 second. And even this question as homework. Okay. At what time you have break? 3:30. Yeah. Now it is 2:50. Okay. Now just see. So the area of equilateral triangle. So this question, area of equilateral triangle is 49 root 3 centimeter square, and the taking angular point as the center. Okay. Whatever the angle it is making triangles, whatever the angles it is making, that angular point at the center of the circle, angular point the center of the circles they have given. A circle is described with the radius of the circle is equal to the half of the length of the side. Radius of circle, whatever the radius we have here, that is equal to the half of the side's length, is equilateral side's length. This is means, if it is 20 means this is 10. Okay, radius is 10. Okay, now here as shown in the figure, find the area of triangle not included in the circle. Okay, so this is what is not included in the circle. So find the area of triangle. Okay, this is area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle, we have this one that should not be included in the circle. The circle should not be there. These are the circle portion should not be there. Whatever yellow color region we have, that we have to find out. Okay. Now I'll give with the, first I will go with the, so if you have equilateral triangle, if it is equilateral triangle means what are the sides of equilateral triangle? Sorry, what is the angle made with equilateral triangles? That is 60 degree, which means angle A that is equal to angle B that is equal to angle C that is equal to how much? 60 degree. Okay, this angle is 60 degree, this is 60, this is 60, and you should know the what we don't know what is this side of equilateral triangle. So what is side of equilateral triangle is, that is they have not given directly, but what they have given, area of equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle they have given. So that is equal to what is area? What is formula for area of equilateral triangle? Root 3 divided by 4a square. A is nothing but side of the equilateral triangle. So this area of equilateral triangle, how much they have given? 49 root 3. So 49 root 3 that is equal to root 3 divided by 4a square. Root 3 just cancel it. Now just multiply it. Okay, how much it will become? 49 into 4. 49 into 4 you do it. 49 into 4 that is equal to a square. So 49 into 4 if you do it means it will become 196. A square that is equal to how much it will become? 196. So that is a will become what? 14. A value how much you have got it? So this length of so side of triangle that is equal to, that I will write it here. Side of triangle, length of side of triangle that is equal to how much? That is 14 centimeter. Then radius of the circle is how much? That is r that is equal to 14 divided by 2, which means 7 centimeter radius of the circle. Now so we have to find out the area of this region. Area that is equal to area of region that is equal to what we have to do it? We have to find out the area of triangle minus of area of 3 times the area of sectors. Okay, area of equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle minus of area of 3 times the area of sector, minus of 3 times the area of sector. Okay, so now you just see area of equilateral triangle, how much they have given? 49 root 3 they have given this one. Okay, minus of 3 times of area of sector is, what is the formula? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Okay, this is what the formula. You know that theta value is how much? Theta value that is equal to how much? 60 degree. Okay, now so now you just substitute here, that is 49 root 3 minus 3 times of that is 60 divided by 360. Pi value take it as 22 divided by 7. R value how much we have? 7 into 7. Now 7 gets cancelled, 0 get cancelled, 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja. Next 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. 77. This 49 into root this, if you have 49 into root 3 minus 77. If you write this much also no problem, but you solve it. Okay, that is 49 into root 3 is nothing but 1.73 minus 77. 1.73 into 49, you do it. 49 into 1.73. And someone do it again minus 77 also. How much? 49 into 1.73 is how much? 80? 84.77 minus 77 you do it. How much you will get it? 84.77 minus 77. 88. 7.77. Okay, 7.77 what it is? Centimeter square. Okay. And this you have